Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy have me and the girl be with the same raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl be with the same red rock?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga.
What on it?
Then people that look at me and say you're aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering. Aganeering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Wagwan people, wagwan. Big up on yourself, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Cross is October, people. Big up on yourself. All October people, big up on yourself. Everybody who celebrate their birthday in October, large up on yourself, you know. October people, big up on yourself. You're in tune to Ragashanti live on the big bad IrieJam radio, of course. Once a large up all massive and crew and thing. Big up on yourself, you know. All right, we're there. And sitting. Bless up on yourself, people. New York, Jersey, Connecticut, all about. Larger poofy, large up, bigger poofy, big up, everything is everything. Yo, people, about a little housekeeping thing, I just want to quickly run by one, you know. Just came some things that I do expose me to certain things that I think might be useful to members of our communities. Caribbean community, that is, and affiliated thereof. But, so, I just want to do that one here quick. And this is to people who are green card holders, or permanent resident people, or anybody who is a non-citizen, but you're documented in the United States of America. All right? So, just I share a little thing when I come home, but I came in touch with. Some of us want to make you know real quickly. I covered it briefly on Free Up today. That is my Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show on the internet and things. So, I do that today. So, since New York City and no found I hear upon the radio right, you know, and thing when I hear we direct on the radio, we just want to share it with you and thing. So, there are people out there, a significant amount of people who are, you know, being, shall we say, deported based upon a certain standard where them having at the courts, you know. Lord God, I forgot oh Lord, wait name. Anyway, under the standard, you don't really need to know the actual law or whatever. That's not really important to know. But under the standard where them deport people, you know, who have permanent residency, green card holders, and other non-citizens, they have a term there what them call crime of violence, right? A crime of violence. There's a standard what them have, and I say you're deportable. They use fancy term. The term they use is removal, right? When immigration are work, there are two terms they use to deny you entry or to render you deportable or to deport you. And one is exclusion and one is removal. So this one is about removal. So you're already here, you're not a citizen, and you can be subjected to removal. The reason why I'm sharing it with you is that I was alarmed at how easy this thing was, and how much a lot of people don't know how easy this thing is. So it may sound like, basically, you don't need to know the legalese, but you can be deported for committing a crime of violence. But when you when you look on the language that they use, you know, to determine a crime of violence, I was just shocked and amazed how easy this is to put anybody in it. And how easy it is that they have been putting people in it and deporting people left, right, and center. So I'm just sharing this to you as a kind of heads up. If you're a green card holder, or if you have a relative who is a green card holder, or you have your man or your woman who is a green card holder and whatever, this is just information that I would encourage you to consider useful with respect to regulating your conduct, your behavior, as you continue to juggle your thing up in this country. And the way they define crime and violence is as follows. An offense that has as an element the use, attempted use, or threatened use of physical force against the person or property of another. Again, if you're a green card holder or you're documented here as a non-citizen, whether like DACA or any other classification or any other posture that you're under in here in the United States, not a citizen, I want you to know that people are being actively deported under this standard, that they would have committed a crime of violence. But the crime of violence, again, as determined by the statute that they use to deport the people in, is an offense that has as an element the use, attempted use, or threatened use of physical force against the person or property of another. If you broke down that, basically, if you threaten somebody, you're deportable. You don't even have to fulfill the use part, or the attempted use part, You can just threaten use. You can just threaten somebody, and it is considered a crime of violence. Not only is it considered that, apparently it is being used as that. people are being deported under that standard. And when I look at some of the instances where people do, it's some simple little things people are get deported for. Now, I must point out that invoking this standard against somebody is dependent on what they call prosecutorial discretion. Prosecutorial, the prosecutor, being the DA or whoever the prosecutor is, district attorney or the assistant district attorney, they have to want to do it. Now, what that means is that you can do something, you know. You can engage in some activity where them charge you for that activity, but them don't bring up the immigration part. So that is possible. In fact, that's happening a lot. That people are committing acts that if the prosecutor did want, them could have just bring it up on you, but, you know, probably them don't even think about it or whatever, or this, right? So it's not something that must happen to you. But to the people who it happened to, I'm sure, you know, they are not happy right now. Additionally, it is my reasoning, it is my meds that you will less likely find a prosecutor in what in the United States of America they refer to as blue states, more liberal states, more Democrat-leaning states. You will less likely find prosecutors who are go out of them way for find something like this to invoke against an accused, you know, or somebody who is charged for something or found guilty of some sort of criminal conduct under the language of the statute, right? But I don't need to tell you the climate that presently prevails, which is one that is an anti-immigrant climate. It has gotten better since the last president, since the present president has come into power. But the one before this one, you know, kind of did wake up your handsness, you know. So there are people out there who feel emboldened now. And you saw what happened in what is now referred to as the 1-6 insurrection, where, you know, the sentiments of millions of people in this country was brought to the fore. And part of what underpinned the philosophy that motivated them to do what they're doing, they are of the opinion, wrongly so, but nonetheless they're of the opinion that their country is being overrun and that it's being taken over by outsiders and that they need to get rid of them. Right? So all across the country you have elements, you know, in some states they're higher in concentration than others, but all across the country you have all these people who believe that they need to get rid of, you know, non-white people or, you know, or a certain type of people who they consider to be true Americans and things. They even use the word patriot in terms of, you know, advocating their violence and their force in getting rid of these people that they think should not be here. Now, unfortunately, many of us from the Caribbean and think many of you listening right now, we unfortunately fall within, you know, that cabal. Well, that constituency. So what this mean? Again, you know, New York, Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, the Northeast states, it's not necessarily a high priority for them. It exists here. You know, there are a lot of people in these states who are not fond of those who do not look like those who they think have a right to be here. But it is not as strong here as it is in some other states, such as New Mexico, Texas, Florida, and the like, down them places, Georgia and them places. But, you know, they're all both. And what this necessarily means is just an additional heads up to you that if you are in one of those classifications, again, if you're a green card holder, a permanent resident, be careful so you don't get caught up in any precking. Right? Be careful so you don't get caught up in any precking that would have you in the court system, and if found guilty, a prosecutor have the option to say, that person look so and so, that person have an accent. Let me check them immigration status. What? Them a green card holder and them did a run up them mouth and thing. Make I just like ask the court for deport them, because if they ask the court for deport you, it is real easy, depending on what you're convicted for, it's real easy for them to put you in that thing based on the language that them are used to deport people. Again, the way them define a crime of violence. People, if you punch somebody and you're convicted of, whatever you do with the punch, you're deportable. And listen to the language. It says against the person or property. So it don't even have to be against a person. It can be against a person's car. It can be against a person's house. Right? So them say the use, So if you actually do it, or the attempted use, if you make for do it and you start for do it, but you never do it. Or the threatened use. So you don't even have to attempt it. You don't even have to do it or attempt it. You have to just threaten it. And once they have proof and can convict you along those lines and present that to the court, you're deportable. And what I'm saying to you is, I can't go into too much detail about something, but I was just shocked how many people are actually being deported under this standard. And there's a lot of people right now who fight it. Right? Woolly pa lawyer fee and all these things, Essentially the lawyers are fighting, arguing that that what these people did, permanent resident green card holders did not rise to the standard that is here written in the statute, in order to, in other words, they're saying that they were wrongfully classified as being, subjected to removal proceedings, which is a nice way of saying deport. So again, if you're a green card holder right now, work on your citizenship if you want, Tanya. Work on your citizenship if you want, Tanya. And if you can't work on your citizenship right now, or while you're working on your citizenship, anybody are drawing an argument, I would advise you, my suggestion is, loud them out. Your goal here is to avoid police a call up your name and avoid going to any court. Right? Yeah, well, time people say prevention better than cure. If you can't prevent the thing, you have to wonder how you go cure the thing. Right? And again, the reason why I'm sharing this with you is that I'm just amazed how many people, this man, some people attack him. He was like a Sikh, the religious ethnicity, they're Sikh, right? So some people, them attack him. And them attack him and argue and whatever, this and that. And him trouble them and them trouble him. And he move to them and whatever. And based on how he move to them, and ease them off and thing and chuck them off and thing and whatever, this and that, him man get charged and subjected to removal proceedings and him fight it for, and them deport him. One man get mad and fling stone past somebody else, fling up a whole heap of stone, supposedly fling up a whole heap of, well, I don't know if a stone, but throw things on the person's property and whatever and all them something there. And based on the element of the thing we say, damage to property, he too was put up for removal. Apparently, him no get deported yet because him a fight it. But me just say, are them simple little things that them a use. So sometimes we think, say, boy, something dramatic and huge have it done for people get deported and think. No, I know that are going out there. Are some simple little thing the people them can use. No, I'm saying the likelihood of, if you in a trouble and thing and a prosecutor definitely bring up that, like, perhaps it's not something sweeping and automatic because, again, the prosecutor have to want to do it. So you can get in a fight and beat up somebody and them charge you for assault or whatever, you're found guilty and you serve your time or you pay your fine. And because the prosecutor not bring it up, then you're good, even though you're a green card holder or other classification as a non-citizen. Because the prosecutor never bring it up, then you're good. But listen, subject to the remote possibility that a prosecutor could bring it up. Again, prevention better than cure. So I just share it to you know, and make you know say them quietly out there I deport people left, right, and center upon this standard. Again, out there. And it's just something for you to keep in mind. And I'm sharing it because we know how it's going in our local community. Don't. Now, if I were up here and somebody send for me and want a look a better life and all these things and whatever, and I don't need to tell her that many of us in our Caribbean community, you know, still have a green card status, a permanent residency status and thing, or other non-citizen status and thing. You don't have to worry about this if you're a citizen. The United States Constitution disallow. You can't be deported if you're a citizen. You cannot be deported if you're a citizen. If they're going to deport you, if you're a citizen and there's reason for them to deport you, they have to first strip you of your citizenship, then deport you. By the way, which has been done. But in those instances, it's when you were getting your citizenship, and if they can prove that there are certain questions you didn't answer truthfully, or even though your answer was, you never intend for it to be not the truth, they have a good faith standard there and whatever, but it have to be something where you do wrong while getting your citizenship for them strip you of your citizenship. So if you're a citizen, we may talk about, you don't have this to worry about, right? The Constitution does not allow anybody to be deported if you're a citizen. So if you're a permanent resident, a green card holder and whatever, try nobody get you in no trouble. Because you don't, you know, a pussy and dog now have the same look. You don't want to be the one where you end up there and the prosecutor don't like you. You look at accent and thing, look on your complexion and then just run a look at check point and say, eh? And them did go thief so and so money. And go box down so and so. And them go threaten the police officer. All them something they want to do and thing and whatever. Sometimes I see someone now wild up a police them and all these things and whatever. People, if you don't have nothing to prove, just allow the thing, yeah, man. And balance your thing and just make sure so you can do the same way for your loved ones and your youth, them where depend upon you or your relative, them where, you know, why you and all them something they seen. So, and again, the reason why I share this with you, know, a whole heap of people I get deported upon that something. Whole heap. With a foolishness, they might get deported. So keep that in mind. You don't want to be that person. Talking about immigration matters. Last week, Mr. Neva called the show. And Mr. Neva said, we are talking about the people who still are lamps people. Oh, sidebar. Jamaican cultural teaching. Lamps is a Jamaican term that means to con, right? Right? So is a traditional Jamaican term. When you say, yo, a lamps you, man. That means a con you, a trick you, right? So for those of you who don't know these things, all right? Them young people don't really use them term here anymore. Them don't really know them term here, but just so they know. Lamps, you know, is whatever. So, anyway. We did a talk about the people who link up with people up here. Because several mix-up come in and this and that come in, what they and all these things and whatever, where them can they still around. People link up with people up here. They're married and then they send for them. And when they come up here, they run well for people them. Right? Pan free up. What you say, Prezi? What? Me never said anything to you. Attack me, attack. Come on to the man here. Go cool me here. Anyway. Yeah, and run well for people them. So enough of them generalship they still are going. People are sent for people and when them come here, them run well left them. So we did a talk about that and Mr. Never call in and said, when you come in, them ask you if you want to change your address. That Mr. Never said. When somebody, when you come in for the first time, you're married and you come in as a green card or a permanent resident, person, Mr. Neverang said them ask you at the airport if you want to change your address. I in turn said to Mr. Neverang, well, I have never been in that position because when I came here, those weren't the circumstances I came under. And based on what I know from what people tell me, I am not aware of people having to do this. So, and it didn't sound like it's something they would have to do. So I give it to him. I'm say, until somebody can call me and tell me, say, what Mr. Neverang is saying, I saw it go. Me not believe that. People, I was contacted by several people who say the man that I gave the name Mr. Neverang, right? Because theme thing is, he's never wrong, right? That's how him get the name. The man that I gave that name, he was right this time. So I stand corrected. Mr. Neverang was right for once. Okay? Right? So Mr. Neverang, I want you to know, a bunch of people link me and say, no, Raga, it's true. When you're married and you're coming to America the first time, they do ask you when you're coming to the country if you want to change your address. I still don't understand why that is. I still don't. I'm just telling you that people did indeed contact me and said, yes, they too were asked that question when they were entering the country, for the first time as a green card holder. Again, they must have some reason for that I'm unaware of in terms of procedures and protocol. I am unaware. It just appears to me that after the long, arduous process of, applying, of having a petitioner, marrying someone and having a petitioner, your husband or your wife, file for you and all of the checks and things and when them go through and things, it just sound like, why, just when you enter, they were like, oh, do you want the option of changing your address? Feel free to do so. It just kind of like, why at that moment? What's the necessity for it? I don't know. But again, quite a few people contacted me and said, Mr. Neverang was right. So Mr. Neverang, for tonight, just for tonight, your name is Mr. Right one time or Mr. Right for once. Okay? So we just give one day. Just for tonight, do I know? We don't want you to think it's a permanent thing. You still near Mr. Neverang. But because you have a one win right here, so you get a one win, we are give you the win. You were wrong, you were right, and I was wrong. You were right. And well, I wasn't wrong. I just didn't think that it was one thing. But Mr. Neverang, big up yourself. You were right. Okay, people gonna take a look at break. When we come back, when I call him about anything, I don't want to call him, but where we are work tonight is another X thing. So we want you call in and just tell me if you book your biggest X right now, and I going to say something to them, what would you say to your ex, right? So remember, we have tune for X and them something here. We just keep it simple now. So if you book the biggest ex you ever have, so you have more than one ex, right? And you and your ex buck up right now, what you da say to your ex? What would you say to your ex? And that we I work with. But of course, you're going to call in with anything else you want to have to say and thing, right? A Ragashanti live, okay? So, but we're going to break. We're soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you book your ex right now, what you da say to your ex, right? If you book your ex right now, what you da say to your ex? Somebody post on Facebook, she said, I would say, dirty boy, you're still living. That's kind of strong, though, eh? I guess you're not particularly fond of him, though. 888 546 8742 888 546 8742 888 546 8742. Call him about anything you want to call him about, you know, kick off the flavor and all these things. Or, you know, if you want to answer the question. Give me the call, President McQueen, walk one pop, send on. Hello? Now hear the caller. Hello? President, now hear the person, 888 546 8742 888. Hello? President, deal with that. 888 546
Raga?
Yeah, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Good night.
Yes, Mr. Neva wrong. What happened?
Listen.
Yes.
I tell you before, and I tell you what the year again.
Really?
Whenever my company here, they talk to, whether you are anybody, from here, me not talk what you feel here, me talk what you feel know. That's how me work. Me no work over here, say. Me talk what me see and what me know.
Right, Mr. Right one time. Yes.
No, me no say anything me talk.
Yeah.
Per year.
Yeah.
Me talk what me know.
Yes, Mr. Right
it's
one
like,
time.
It's like you live on place.
Uh-huh.
Any address, anywhere you live now.
Yeah.
And you're the full out farm.
Yeah.
You have to full out the farm to where the address you live. If you don't live at the address, you have to follow to the farm where the address you live. Because if you follow the farm where there's any little good day, you not get it.
Oh,
okay.
Mr. Way I say.
Hold on. That's what I'm trying to say. When you come at the any international airport you land, the first thing they ask you if you change your address, because they don't want to send out the green card whether the envelope and you don't get it. Because I'm two friends of mine, I know, personal. So that we can talk about it. And even now when you already say you renew your green card, the address where you get the old one, the new one from, the way you live at this way put that as we get by the new green card now.
When you put it that way, it makes sense because basically them I say if you move, you need to make we know if you move. So if you want
exactly.
Okay. That makes sense.
That's why they ask the immigration when you land at the airport.
Yeah.
If you change your address. That's the reason they ask, because they do not want to send it at that address where you don't get it.
No, when because you don't get the green card yet, and them want to send the green card at the right address, right? That is it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And the green card now, the number stamp in the passport. That's you can go look at job. That's when you go look at job, they ask you for green card. You show them the green card number in the passport.
Oh, I saw it go. Well, yeah, educate me because I don't know them something there.
Well, you me tell you what you repeat one more time.
Right.
I'm not telling you what you hear.
Right.
I'm telling you what you know. The green card, then stamp the green card in the immigration number, stamp the green card number in the passport. That's when we're going to look at job. You carry the passport, we're going to look at job. I mean, you're a permanent resident in the day to get job.
Okay, Mr. Right one time.
That's why.
Okay.
That's why I meant me no compare radio.
Yeah, we know you said that already. You said that 2-3 times. Yeah. All right. So what going otherwise now?
Everything cool, Roger.
Yeah.
Well, very ex-girlfriend now. You have an ex-girlfriend?
Yes.
That's all you see. If you see my street.
If you see them, if you see her.
If you see a street.
Yeah.
If you see a street, all you do. If you feel like we tell him all they do, you tell him I move on.
You tell her.
Yeah.
You tell her.
You tell her. Him tell you. He can go both ways.
She.
No matter.
She.
Yeah. She can go both ways.
So if you see one of your ex right here now, if you see the ex where you did there with the longest, if you see her now, what you da say to her?
Me not know if you say to him. Me going to say how they do. That's it. Me not know what to say to him.
To her,
whatever.
Right, okay.
Me not know what me do say no. Me not go all the conversation because me not go back there, so.
You know, Hold on. You are tell me, say,
No.
if your ex tell you, say, she want look more of your fire stick, you would give her?
No.
You
No.
would, suppose she tell
No.
us that all she want is a one piece and thing. She not take no set by you. She don't want them back with you. She just want a one run.
No. Listen, we use that to trap if you come back to him. No, that I'm to.
Oh.
Once you leave, move on with your life. That's it.
No, what you mean? She will use that for chop if for catch you back? No.
Of course, then we use you chop it. Then chop enough one. And chop enough one. Then use it if you come back to them.
Oh.
Because where they run go, then if you say, I went better rose, then they go there. The grass ain't good until when we so when it not get through, then it take time circle if you come back to you. No, once when you break up, Ragashanti, that's it. When I'm in my situation, no, that's it.
No.
Me not go back where they come from.
No, but hold on. So what you think about them other people who they break up with somebody and then them go there with the people? Go there with that person. What you think about
that's on them. That's on them. With me personal.
But you not do that.
Me not do it because me say, if you ain't care for me, you know I could left me. And if you ain't care for you know I could left you.
No, but
So
sometimes people make a little mistake in them relationship and them learn from it and then them say, all right, I could try again.
Yes. But to see, Raga, mistake, situation like that, me not make the mistake there.
No, hold on. People make mistake, man, Mr. Never Wrong, and then them learn from it. And some people say second time around, and them try it again, and it work, you know.
Listen, me never say mistake not there. I never said that.
Right.
Because me say, if we care for you, me not go walk out left you. Me not make 2-1 clap, no one. And
nah, man, you simplify the thing, man. You make it thing. You oversimplify the thing, Mr. Never.
No, Raga. Me tell you already, from here, me tell you again. Me have 18 for me pa. And you know why I call him no dear.
Well on. Why you say your mother have 18 picnic for your pa? Your ma have 18 picnic for your pa?
We have 9 boy, 9 girl, no twin. 9 boy, 9 girl, and then coming to this country.
Hold on, Mr. Never Wrong. Your mother push out 18 picnic, down.
18 picnic.
Okay.
My dad last year, February. 18 picnic. He push out, give me pass. And he do left him go. The furthest he left him go, a market go sell breadfruit and banana. That's the furthest he go. He don't left him go nowhere. That's why I tell you, I tell anybody, no love no they don't more again. Then this is done.
What you mean not love them more?
Come now.
Hold on, no man, love them man. Love them man, Mr. Never Wrong. You can't.
Listen.
You can't do this people out there who in love. Yeah, this the people who in love. You are this the people who in love.
No, me not this somebody. Make you sick, somebody when you sick. Somebody when you sick. So fast and walk out of you. Then carry go through down.
What you say, make you sick and what happen?
No for them when you sick.
Yeah.
Then carry go through down and then cannot boat. Nursing home cannot boat.
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? Are that them woman here do nowadays?
Yeah.
Eh? Are that them woman here do nowadays?
When the woman finds you $1-2 in your pocket, and then see when they can dip them finger in it as they would, I gone and gone left you.
Oh God!
Let me tell you, me not talk come and say, me talk come and say.
Well on, Mr. Never Wrong. What you are saying that as long as you have the money, the woman them stay with you, but make you go through look at hard time and all them something there. The woman them left you right away door and fling your bush down.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. When you DJ man come and real talk, nothing they go on to the man, he say.
Who?
Singing music and nothing on.
Who?
When I musician, me no remember by name.
What, pan a radio station, yeah? Pan a radio station, yeah?
Yes.
Who, Dub Master Chris?
And the man is...
Who?
No.
And a Dub Master Chris?
Me no remember by name, no. Me no remember by name.
Oh, a Jabba down.
No.
And a Jabba.
And he say...
A stretch. International star. Which one of them? RJ, not a RJ. A RJ, no.
No. No.
Okay.
Me no know him. He say, in comparison with that, he say,
yeah.
In the single one, not going to me that music.
Yeah.
And soon as he start singing, he have to live with the woman.
Yeah.
And the woman come out left him. As soon as he make music and leave out the woman and come back. So me ask him, say, me ask him, say, if you take him back. He said, no. Me say, you would have been fools to take him back. So, me talk valuable thing. Me not talk.
Hold on, Mr. Never wrong. Mr. Never wrong. What if our Juju just did really, really good? What if our Sato did really, really good? What if she have one of them Sato there where make you find everyone talking in tongues and all them something there? What if our Sato would do? You want to take back a look at one piece?
No.
Okay.
If the Sato, if you care for me,
yeah.
you wanna left me with the Sato.
Okay.
You would have stay right there.
Okay.
With the Sato.
Okay.
You would have stay right there.
Okay.
So you never care for from the beginning. When the person care for you, Raga, care for you, there is not nine power. Why not come out with you? In care for you about the if I want cocoa, he sit down with you. If I want figure that banana, he sit down with you. And if I two want to clap, you know, make it 2-1 clap.
Okay,
it doesn't matter.
Okay.
As some see, me not see none of this way. You know one non crop woman run you, where woman go give me.
Well, I want you give advice to somebody. You know, you have one youth over here, him named RJ, and him did there with one girl. And you know, so she boxed him with an East Indian mango and left him, right? Boxed him with an East Indian mango, you know, and left him. And then after she left him, she had tried the back with him. What you think? Talk to RJ and tell RJ what he must do now.
In there, no ready boxing, woman.
No. It's the woman boxed him with the mango and left him.
The woman boxing with the mango?
The woman boxed RJ with one East Indian mango. One box in RJ face with one East Indian mango. And now, and left, and she left RJ. And now she want the back with RJ. Tell RJ and listen. Tell RJ what him for do. Tell RJ what him for do.
Tell RJ.
No, RJ and listen right now. So talk to RJ.
Tell him.
No, RJ and listen. No, say RJ and talk to him. Yeah.
RJ, don't go back there.
Okay.
Do not go back there. Because maybe you go back there worse.
Worse so? Well, he may get back with something else now. He may get back with mango. He may get back with that. So he get back with mango. He may get back with all that tough yam that time, you know.
Yeah, exactly. So don't go back there.
Don't go back there here, RJ. Don't go back there.
Don't go back there. Don't go back there.
Don't go back there, RJ. Mr. Never wrong, say. No. Mr. Right one time said, don't go back there. Okay. All right.
Don't go back there.
All right.
You go back there.
Yeah. Because that.
Raga.
Eh?
Raga, for you woman break up.
Yeah.
How they do? That's the most. If you want to do. And if you are pitting with him, mind your kids. That's it. That's the most.
Okay. Well, we know about the picnic part.
Move on in your life.
No, man. Sometimes you can squeeze back a one piece, though, Mr. I want to tell you.
No.
Even if you're not there with the person, man. If you know, say this, squeeze back a one piece. All you do, you make sure you don't breathe out. Squeeze back a one piece if it did good.
Germs will catch you there.
What?
You don't want no germs catch you there. Germs will catch you there, sir.
What you say?
No
germs to catch you there, sir. And then you go back there, sir.
Yeah,
you take back a Sato, germs to catch you. Okay, me hear what you say. And germs is not a good thing. Catch it. Actually, you have some good germs in it, believe it or not. But in general, you want to avoid germs, because germs not good, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Germs can never good.
All right, then. No, you have good.
Germs can never good.
Mr. Never wrong. You have good germs, believe it or not. You have good germs.
Depends for your handle it.
Well, you have bad germs and good germs. But never know them did have good germs.
Nobody in that man no one on germs.
You have good bacteria.
No germs.
Okay, all right then. Mr.
You know what? Nobody no one on germs. You want to drink you want to eat sour food?
Sour food?
You want to go eat sour food?
Sour food.
You want to go eat sour food and eat sick belly?
No, the only thing me eat sour June plum.
Regardless what, if it's sour, you don't want to because it will sick you.
No. June plum tastes good and June plum sour. June plum tastes good and June plum sour.
Plum dog always sour.
What you say what? What?
Always sour.
June plum. That may I tell you. June plum nice and it's sour.
Yes.
You have to put a little salt on it sometime, don't it?
I know that.
Okay.
That's what you want to eat. That's what you want to eat.
All right.
Nice.
Yes.
You know, go back to no woman. Why you and break up? That don't make no sense.
Mr. Never, people are listening to you right now. And I say, what a man you talk about? Because them did there with somebody left and them go back and it good right now. So people are listening to you right and they want to burn you out.
No, listen.
What?
That's them, not me. That's them, not me. Me not go back there, sir.
You not go back there, sir.
That's them. No, me not go there. No.
You never did.
Ask me say if you don't care for me.
Yeah, okay.
If you don't care for me, me no walk out left you.
All right.
So me no care for you, so me walk out.
All right.
Me not go there, sir.
All right, Mr. Neva, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, then, cool. Well, I don't know the general juggling, you know, he never bring the strength, you know, you understand? People do remember, you know, Saturday, November 7th, it's all about a thing named Act Your Age, the return. And you don't know international star and stretch, them I bring that something to see it. Hosted by none other than Conscience and Thing, one of the girls, them baby, you understand? And more artists to be added, right? And again, that is Saturday, November 5th. Conscience will be here for the event named Act Your Age. Big up international star. Big up Stretch and Thing. Road international family, large up and things. So we just want to go and balance on yourself for that one year and thing. And I have more to say about all that one year where I come up, you know, because it look like Dub Master Chris a plan for turn over the whole of New York City, you know. Saturday, December 3rd, you know, and I'm going to be nothing normal, you know, my brother W, I bring the heat, you know, man. General, I bring the smoke, you know, man. You talk about Sham, you talk about Jada Kingdom, see? You talk about Yaksta, you talk about Maca Diamond, right? Maca Diamond will say, oh, everything pan our natural and thing. And Maca Diamond say, won't a bad mind her for because the young boy them one time when I rush her. Maca Diamond say, no found a way to fight against her and I tell her about she a big man now, she feel loud. Maca Diamond say, a bad man and a bad mind her because the young boy them right her. Prezi, may I keep it real. I take one off of Maca. Prezi, you not answer me, you know, you just a laugh, you know. Prezi, you take one. Prezi say me that take one off of Maca. See it there? Lally, Gadget, Stick Up In, IrieJam, Flashmo, MC Nuffy and Dub Master Chris are going to host it and thing. And of course, DJ Nori, Young Chow, Lava and Killaboo are going to shell down the thing. Saying, if you want information, call a number 917-940-8527. Again, 917-940-8527. If you want information about a big show, yeah, what Dub Master Chris a keep, a man say if you call a number 917-940-8527. 917-940-8527. 917-940-8527. Big up on yourself. And hold on, them make you know. You know, I'm telling about Act Your Age. Let me go on a number for Stretch. Here, Stretch number, this is the one before with Conscience. It's a Saturday, November 5th. Oh, I see number, I never know the number. Them write it small, weird on you, so. So Stretch number is 516-902-7637. 516-902-7637. 516-902-7637. A Stretch number that an international star number. A 718-213-9807. Again, international star theme number 718-213-9807. 718-213-9807. 718-213-9807. Act Your Age, Saturday, November 5th. That's Act Your Age. And of course, Dubby something. That's Saturday, December 3rd. That they're Amazura. And you know, so that one you go turn over New York City is the place to be December 3rd and thing. And people just want to remind you that on a Friday night, the first two top of the hour, I won. The first top of the hour, we have to break for 3 minutes. Prezi just remind me. And then the second one, we go right in and just juggle the thing over in Jamaica and all them something there. So we're coming up to that time now. And thinking that it will make sense to go take our next call right now because, you know, that break there forward and all these things. Big up on yourself, you know, everything is a watch. Enough respect to everybody who are listening on the IrieJam 360 page over Facebook. The IrieJam 360 page on Facebook. Big up on yourself. Large up on yourself. We see Cheryl Bress over there. We see Gracie. And we see some other people over there. Today we make a talk and whatever. And some people write me back and say a true. Which is that Jamaicans, well, again, me not think uptown people do this, you know. I just think it's a ghetto thing from Jamaica and a country people thing from Jamaica. People, Jamaicans have a thing, you see, not care what kind of accident you're in, you know. them just believe say the immediate remedy for it is some sweet sugar and water. If you buck your head past something and just drop down a little bit, Jesus Christ, Mikey lick him head, give him some sweet sugar and water. If you kind of lick it down a little bit and you drop on the sidewalk, Jesus Christ, somebody give him some sweet sugar and water then quick. If a woman faint or whatever, oh my God, I want me to her. Them don't know what happened to her, nobody know what happened to her. But all you gonna hear somebody, yeah, some sweet sugar and water there. Why Jamaicans? Why would I believe so every little accident, the remedy is some sweet sugar and water? It no matter what happened to you. If you walk and buck your toe and drop, look a bit, wait, a drop should drop, yeah, some sweet sugar and water. It's just a thing. When we grew up, anything happen. Give them some sweet sugar and water. You do a funeral and your relative are buried, and you faint, Jesus Christ, the mercy over there faint, give her some sweet sugar. Give her some sweet sugar and water. Give her some sweet sugar and some sweet sugar and water and thing. Jamaican, them just have this thing I say, sweet sugar and water is the cure for any little physical ailment or physical accident or whatever. Give her some sweet sugar and water rather. Always. It's just a thing. It's one of them something they would do. Don't ask me if it work or whatever. Me just tell you what we grew up with. You can't ask other people if it's true. Come on, some. Anything happen to anybody, give them some sweet sugar and water. You soon hear say you pop down in a sex. You never go and go there, you need some sweet sugar and water for turn up back. Listen, we're going to break. We're soon forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling. Once a big respect, all massive and cool. Big up on yourself and thing. Well, I welcome the Jamaican people them right now because we just can't connect with the Bridge 99 FM in a Jamaica. And do remember early next month in about a couple of weeks, we're going to be on the same time. But until now, you don't know, we start an hour early up here, so in IrieJam Radio in New York City right here. And they will connect with Jamaica at 10 o'clock and thing. 10 o'clock Jamaica time. 10 o'clock Jamaica time. Right, Prezi? Which is 11 o'clock now, right? Right. Me always get confused with it and have to take time with me and things. So I want to say big respect to Jamaican people right now. And as usual, on the calling boy, anything you want, calling board, anything you want, calling board, anything you want, calling board. But we are juggling with a little thing at the same time. And I say, yo, if you buck your ex right now, if you buck one of your ex right now, what would you say to your ex, right? So we have a thing named Tune for Ex. We now do that tonight. We just say, what you say to your ex? What you say to your ex if you buck your ex right now? If you buck up on your ex right now, what you say to your ex? What you say to your ex, right? We want to know what you say to your ex. All right? The number from the United States or Canada, that number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. If you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Why we are here about the other influencer there from Jamaican influencer there and thing, and right here we are going and things say them find the body out there in a sea and them confirm say she, things set away though. Them say boy she call herself Slickiana. Right? I mean that is not her real name. But them find her floating in the sea out of Reading in a St. James. And I think them retrieved the body already. And again, reports are reports are that okay. Say boy like say she get a shot in her head and then them go dump the body I see, Things set away, yo. So, you know, another influencer, well, everybody assumes that she gone, them can't find fear body, the one with the policeman. And then now, whatever, so people are speculate, and I said this and that. I am not going to repeat any of the speculation, because when them things happen, people will start filling the blanks and try to make the thing a little bit more sensational and thing and whatever. So until you can definitively say this happened and that happened and whatever. So some reports people are trying to make a connection between this and that and whatever. But those attempts at making a link between what happened over this and what happened over Yasso and whatever, them not, thus far, them not sound credible to me. Them sound like people who are trying, just because there is a degree of coincidence here in terms of them, both of them being influencers and allegations or they knew each other and blah, 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 blah. So, me not going to repeat them then. Me not going to repeat them, those allegations, right? But again, she was called Slickiana, Slickianna. Of course, that is not her real name. But well, our real name out there do, you know. Right? Our real name out there do, okay? So, hold on there. Our real name out there. But hold on there, somebody has sent me something, yeah. Bodo. Okay. Yeah. Leave that, don't touch that, leave that, don't touch that, leave that, don't touch that, leave that. All right. So, yeah, you have some things that are going on there and thing. All right, but some things I'm not really saying. I just, some of them things I just touch and let go. You see me? All right. 876-676-4996. That's the number. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. No. That is not. The whole thing about the reports of a shot in her head or whatever. This is from the Jamaica Constabulary. That there seem to be. I don't think an official autopsy was done, but there seemed to be, they're saying that they see something like that already. But them things are going to have to wait until, the coroner do them thing and whatever before they make some official statement on this. So, I would like to wait also too. All right? But that I know. That ain't a rumor. That come from some credible source and thing. I want to say big respect to Madam Joe. I listen out to Spanish Town and thing. Original Madam Joe and thing. Large up yourself, big respect, you understand? You're general in I thing, And big up all Spain Town massive of Jamaica now. The native son Ragashanti. Rate and love on the same way. You understand? A long time we are veteran in the thing, You understand? We are elder in the thing. We are elder statesman in the thing. So big up youth and youth who are forward and do them thing and whatever. Big up all of my original Spain Town crew, From all about a Spain Town, We're not partial. Nobody will not care which part you ends out in a Spain Town, Whether you say green or whether you say orange and thing. We just want to say big respect to all Spain Town massive, If you say no color to your thing and things same way from a Spanish town and surrounding areas, large upon yourself, because you never left me out when me there Jamaica. You never left out. Me never keep a show yet a Spanish town and it no ram. There's some places where me ever show. Anytime I keep show a Pier 1, a Montego be a ram. Anytime I keep show a Portmore, ram. Anytime I keep show a Spanish town, ram. Show them ever ram at them place then, so large upon yourself. Santi, and I don't know the levels to everything is everything, all right? 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United, if you meet your ex right now, what you say to your ex? If you book up on your ex right now, what you say to your ex if you buck up on your ex right this minute? What would you say to your ex? It could be something nice, or it could be something neutral, or it could be something where you want to get off of your chest. You understand? What would you say to your ex if you buck up on your ex right now? 876-676-4996. 876-67 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you are called from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. All right. This is what now? Okay, this is a matter with Greg Respector. Me have to go there. President, want me to bring in that number here? You bring it in. That's something separate. Hello.
Hello. Good night.
Good night.
How are you?
Boy, I'm good, you know. And you? What going on with you?
So you said, what would I say to my ex?
Yeah, if you buck up your ex right now, what would I say to your ex?
Thank you.
Thank you?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, that's what I would say. Thank you.
You care to share with us what you would thank your ex for? Don't listen to the radio, darling. You can't talk to me and listen to the radio in my background here. Caller. 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 Okay. That did kind of dry. People do remember when on a calling, do not listen to the radio in the background. You'd be getting a delayed broadcast, and you know, if you depend the ear and you listen the broadcast and wait for ear yourself, you go there wait, and 1 second wait upon the radio is like too long. All right? So don't do that. Please don't do that. All right? When I call, don't listen to the radio in the background. In fact, you're not supposed to even have it a play. All right? 876-676-4996. People, my uncle in birthday, well, big up your general, you know, in birthday forward, and thing New York, no found over Brooklyn, and I know Soul Brigadier, right? Scotty, a.k.a. Soul Brigadier. Scotty, a.k.a. Soul Brigadier. I'm my uncle. The man, they look out for it. And thing, right? In birthday bash, Friday, November 4th. Friday, November 4th. Music by Soul Brigadier and thing. Admission, your best behavior. Admission, your best behavior. At 315 East 54th Street. 315 East 54th Street. On him flyer, him have special guest, Ragashanti. I wonder who that. That would be me. All right. Cheryl Bless, big up yourself. You said today your big son birthday. Big up your October people. But again, Friday, November 7th, Scotty. Well, the flyer said, let God arise, all enemies scatter. When Scotty, a.k.a. Soul Brigadier, presents his birthday bash, Friday, November 4th. All right? And again, that is at 315 East 54th Street. Bring in the call, President, bring in the call. 315 East 54th Street in Brooklyn. And that's the thing there. Friday, November 4th. Scotty, a.k.a. Soul Brigadier, birthday party. Good night, caller. Wagwan. Hello?
Raga,
Yeah, what you say?
you know what them say a strangle, the girl gets strangled with a shoe lace.
Oh, the second one, yeah? So she gets strangled with her shoes lace?
Yeah, and that me here.
And that you hear? Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Like me I saying, we not really, because the last thing me hear, so them don't ever get the body out of the water yet. That's the last thing me did hear. Eh? Then, you know if them...
Well, them get the body out of the water.
Them get
the video.
Okay, them take the body out of the water, right?
Yeah, me see the video where them pull the body out of the water.
Okay. And what them say she get strangled with her shoes lace?
Yeah, because first let me just say a gunshot, and then them I say a strong if she gets stronger.
Why, this is so unfortunate and thing. The young women, people are kill them off, and I mean I hear all kind of things and whatever when me don't even want to repeat on them something there, and but
And then Raga used to say the influencer them we had a 3 woman so far.
What you say what?
A 3 woman so far.
A 3? I thought it was 2. I thought it was 2. A 3 in Jamaican influencer.
Lexi. Remember say Lexi, she did crash. Lexi the best, she did crash. And then Donnelly, and then now this lady.
Oh, but Lexi was an accident, though, and not somebody kill her.
Yeah, it was an accident, but we just have to say a 3 woman.
Okay, like what do them think on the internet and all these things, no? Well, me heard some people are trying to make a connection between Donnelly and Silkiana and them something there, but it sounds like a people are make up something to me. I don't know. It sounds make up to me, but some people are say them they know them one another and all these things and whatever. I don't know. You hear anything?
Huh?
You hear anything along them lines? You hear any of them talk?
Yes, some connection, and then them I said she was the last lady that just died. Somehow she was an escort. She used to be.
Yeah, me hear all of them something there. But me not touch them thing there because, particularly when people deceased and things, sometimes people throw out some things out there and nothing no go so. And them have a thing too when woman dead, you have certain type of things where them love with you see, just like how when man dead, them must say, he must have been involved in a drugs or something. Them have some version for woman too,
Yeah.
As soon as like an attractive woman dead, you have certain things where people love bring up and make assumption about it. And enough time nothing no go so, Right?
No go so sometime, for sure.
Yeah, enough time nothing no go so me one of them worse if me see is a young attractive. I right away you hear certain things, but actually I said careless and she did that, when them look at that there and where she run, I mean not jump on them something them. I leave that alone until what is what and what is what come out by facts, you understand? See?
Yeah, me can't say too long, but I want to say this. You see that man, they will come on to the talk about. I like me, I know why I love last say though. But myself,
no, Mr. Right, say. Don't you not think say that are true?
Him new name and Mr. 3 to 4. That I'm new name.
No, but Mr. Right say, Mr. Right say, him convinced say your sort out no good because you say, for all these years you are sort out, your sort out ever good. It never popped down not even one time yet. And the man say him find that suspicious. You also say at one point for 2 years straight, you sort out every day except when, that little time a month there. Outside of your time a month each month, you say you sort out every day and all of your sort out turn up. The man said, anybody you hear I say, them sort out is that good. The man say, always a for them sort out no good. So Mr. Right say you sort out pop down. That's why you talk about you never once yet. Listen to me. Don't you in your 40s? Well on, man. No, well on, man. You're in your 40s, no. Don't you in your 40s? Well on, man. Don't you in your 40s? So you... No, me I say, all right. So you are sort out 20 odd years now, and you never have one pop down sort out yet?
Brother, if who me a sort out with, never tell me say pop down. What you want me to say? Why you leave me to
No,
say?
man, hold on, man. Me I ask you, when somebody start up, most people, if them have a look at pop down start out when I go on, them know the other person have to tell them. So me I ask you again, from you a start out, you yourself never know, say, John, why you know, say, me drop a catch pan that one, me never go on good this. That never happened to you yet.
There are times when me not even do not know much, but who me I do it with enjoy it so much.
No, you're not answer.
So
You're not answer my question straight and plain. Me I ask you, from you a start out, you never at least one time or two times say, you know, so when me did that work, they never good at all. Me never go on good panda one day. Never yet.
me never go on good. But that means say pop down.
No, you're not. You answer me.
That means say pop down.
Hold on, man. You never start out yet and it never good. Yes or no?
No, me never hear say never good yet. No, me
No,
not.
you still, when you still gone over where you hear. Me not ask where the problem. Me I ask you. You never start out yet and it never good.
It wasn't my fault. Make it never good.
No, you still not. You still not answer me, you know. You talk about, me I ask you. You never start out yet and you never good. Yes or no? You never good. You never start out at least one time and you never good.
No.
Never. Bombard, I tell you. Bombard, cookie, you hold it. Cookie, you hold it right too. The care when me do you say, oh, no, it never yet happen, Raga. It never yet happen. It never. Bombard, cookie, me. What? Yeah.
Me saw me damn turtle. Me saw me turtle.
You miss your exit down. What are they? Cookie. 20 odd years I sort out. 20 odd years I sort out. And it never one day yet popped down. Aye, boy. Never, not even one time. Yes, boy, it never good, you know. Probably because me just never did feel. It never good at all. You never answer where you never. What? What?
All when me feel like say okay. All when me feel like say okay, me never do nothing much. Me still I get compliment. So what you want me to say?
You keep on, hold on, man. You keep on and tell me about what other people are saying. I understand that. Me not ask about what the people who you do it with say. Me I ask you. If you.
Who me I do it with?
No, man, me just ask him. I don't care who you do it with. Me just say, is it there even one time where you yourself know, say, your sort out it pop down. You know it about you. Me not talk about nobody else who you do it with.
There are times when me don't feel like me don't do a lot. There are times when I feel like I didn't do a whole lot.
You still give me a semantic answer, you know. Me ask you point blank. You answer already, but me ask you again. You never do a sort out yet, and when you're done, you say, you know, say, me sort out never good at the panda work there.
No, me never said that say never good. Me never said that, Raga.
You
never said never good.
You never do it good.
Me never said that yet.
You never said that yet. Okay, because and yeah, so the reason why you never said that yet is because it never yet happened, right?
There are times when me do more and there are times when me do less.
No, me never ask you about more or less. Me just ask you about good or not good.
Me never thinking of myself say that start up that it pop though. Me never reached there so yet, rather.
All right.
I'm not care whenever I do say because it's impossible.
Me never say it impossible. Me just say you say it never happened yet. So basically what you are saying is that your sort out never 20 odd years I sort out and you never yet sort out. And you say for 1.2 years straight you sort out every day. Every day you sort out, 2 years straight, non-stop, no one. And none of them never popped down yet. None of them never popped down yet.
Pop down, Raga, me tell you, say, pop down, me heated. You want to see about pop down. That's 20 years here, you know what energy me have there, sir, them time there.
What you mean, 20?
Energy me have them time.
Oh, well, on people, she now say she had 28. She did tell me, say, when she had 28, she did a sort out one. How old him was again? When, no, man, 29 you did say.
He was...
Eh?
No, it's 28. I was 18. 28, Raga.
You were 28 and him was 18, right?
Yeah, I was 10 years older than him. I will never forget because I never had sex for 2 years straight.
And you have sex.
I will never forget those times.
So when you were 28 again, you start out the 18-year-old youth, I want to have sex for 2 years straight every day.
Every day, Raga.
And every day did good for 2 years straight. It good every day, everywhere, whatever. And it did good every day, every time when I do it. And
the Jew plum tree, and every tree in the yard will go under.
Lord Jesus, go see you.
Them look full of energy. What here, Raga?
No, we know when you're younger, you're full of energy. So, me can't give you the 2 years straight with your 18-year-old when you're 28, you know, if you say want to do it every day. That is more believable, you know, than you are say. You start out for 20 odd years. And out of the 20 odd years, you yourself never look back for at least one of your start out and say, "Jah know that one, me did pop down in that one there, you know." You say, boy, that never yet happened. Well, if I saw it go, I saw it go. If I saw you say, I saw you say.
Raga, no matter how me tired,
yeah.
I always try to please. I always try to please my partner.
Yeah,
because I love when them feel good. I love sleep on them face. I love when them attack up the thing.
Sure.
So I always try to put out my best, no matter how I'm tired. And sometimes I don't do not much, but I still give a good performance.
Right.
And if I the foreplay, I go lead. And the foreplay, I go lead.
If I the foreplay, I go do it at the foreplay, I go turn up more. Sometimes at the foreplay, turn up more side down.
Turn up more side. So when you reach this, so now them come quick.
Them pop off quick down because your foreplay turn up down.
Them quick.
So your foreplay, so basically your foreplay is a sample foreplay you have before you get down to business. Your thing turn up when you work your foreplay down.
Yeah, it's a sample foreplay. Sometimes I know I'm tired, I can't do nothing more, so I just turn on the foreplay.
You know, sir. When you say a while are gonna really make sense, you know. You say sometimes you know you're tired and you can't do much, so you turn up the foreplay. But from what I have read, if you're tired and you turn up the foreplay, that's a more work, you know. It is if you're tired for just lay down on your back or whatever and just making go and do what you do. If you say you're tired, because you're tired, you turn up the foreplay. When you turn up the foreplay, more work that you do.
No, rather that every foreplay more work. Look how much things you can do. Not every foreplay more work. I want to hear that.
So well on. You have some foreplay where low energy foreplay, but it turn up down.
Yeah.
You
never read that.
No, I never read about that one. No, I'm going to reach a chapter there. No, I'm not done the book yet. I'm going to reach a chapter there. Well, I the Tambourine. Well, I'm going to reach a chapter there. No, Cookie, you mash up my head a while ago. Cookie, what you say? You have some foreplay. Well, man, you have some foreplay where you can do, when you're tired, where you can't turn up that foreplay, but it's a low energy foreplay. Well, I know, Cookie, you know, say you have one if people that think no and rock them brain. You know, one if people that rock them brain. Foreplay where you can't turn up when you're tired, but it you know, require much energy. Now, what could that be? No, you know, so I need to read the book faster. I need to read the book faster. Because I'm going to read that, I'm reach a chapter there. What?
What the book name? What the book name?
When I go, I forgot to look on the title. I did start reading, but never look on the title. No, me not read. Me not look for the title of the book yet. When me reach one, me look for the title. You know, me say me not look for the title. Me dey just start read the book and through. No, I through the first page. Through the first page, it at me just go and read and nobody look for the title.
You get you know. That's the book that we are reading.
Yeah.
Moon.
No.
You remember the title? You remember the name of the book?
Cookie.
Rather you get catch.
Cookie. When you're tired, you have a foreplay where you just turn up when you're tired and you don't need a whole heap of energy.
Raga.
Huh?
Me reach Richard there and go.
All right then. All right. All right then, Cookie. Big up yourself. Here.
People them are wait for me.
All right, Cookie. Big up yourself. Raga loves you.
Yes. I'm going to turn up the foreplay now. Bye.
Bye. What the bar? At the bar, I link you now, don't?
Yes.
Yo, dedicate a kill to me, yeah? When you go much and say, yo, Raga, that one you feel, yeah? And just dedicate that one. Go on, go angle your business. Go angle your business. Go angle your business. Raga loves you. When she tired, there's a foreplay where she do. She just turn up that one if you shell it out. And it don't require much energy. You know, say, last Cookie last enough for on right this. So don't. Give me the call, President. Hello. 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 I hear them in a prison. I don't know what kind of problem I go on with the phone here and the president do something. It's a Jamaica call, right? Yeah, man. Hello.
No close, Raga.
Alien too cute. What going on?
Are you alone, she laugh?
Okay. Really?
Yes, you alone, she laugh. Why when you have your little companion them? Are you combo of them as my grand you that say, come and I tell you the back I lie them, you can laugh and a tambourine for that.
What you mean? What me do now? What me do? You know, so from what day you beat me? But what me do you? From what day you beat me, you know, I mean, I'll defend against Miss Long Island, you know. I mean, I'll defend against Miss Long Island and you still beat me. What me do? What me do now?
Because Raga,
yeah,
20 odd years,
yeah,
and fear foot never touch ground yet.
No, what you mean? What you mean?
20 hard years and she never play in the dirt yet.
What you mean? What you mean? No, you can't.
You know what I mean because she said start out ever up.
So, but why you say me alone last? What you mean me alone last with? The whole time in a year.
Because you say she last everybody, so me I say you alone last.
No, but what you think me I say she last everybody with?
With what she said about when she tired, she have a special something what she do and it turn up.
All right. So when me say she last everybody, what you think me I say? Me I refer to what she attacking or what specific thing she attacking?
That means that we not understand what she say. You alone understand.
No, that me mean, and I think you misunderstand me, you know.
What you mean?
Me don't understand it either.
Well, me want to tell Cookie our Cookie soak out in a milk.
No, I don't think you get it, you know. Me don't know what it is either. You never hear when me say to her, say, what you say don't make no sense, you know, because if she go say, when me tired, what me do when me tired is me turn up the foreplay. All right. Me wrong all right for assume, say, well, but that don't make sense because for a woman, foreplay going require her to use up more energy than if she tired and just lay down flat on her back and take it.
Exactly. You can't dead up this thing.
Then that me did I say, so that me ask her.
But you say she last week.
Then what me say she last?
What you mean say she last week? What you mean?
What me mean is that I am assuming, me don't know, I me assume say other people don't know what she could be referring to, what she says she had do. What she had turn it up.
But the way you attack like you know. You understand?
No, you interpret that. I bet all right. People who dep on Facebook, Unu did get it like me, I say me know and unu no know. Let me see, me I go see what them answer and say. I never that me I say, then how me if you say that when me I say to her say, no, it kind of makes sense because if you go turn up the thing with 4 players, then that now going require more energy than if you just lay down flat and not take it because you're tired. So how me if you say that me know and nobody else don't know. When me basically I tell her I say it don't make sense what she has said to me. But no, through your act for me. Through your act for me from what day. From what day you
so
act
why
for
you
me.
say she lost everybody? Why you say that then? That me want to know about
because the whole are with up on the same page where we don't believe what she has said kind of makes sense.
Well, she not lost me at all. So if she lost the rest of family member, then me once somebody not lost.
All right then. If you not lost, that means that you know what she talk about then. So tell me what she talk about.
She will come explain it.
No. You just say you not lost. Right? So that means say no, well on man, me ask you a question. Just say you not lost. Because I tell you say, although you don't understand what I'm saying, you think you understand what I'm saying, but you don't understand. You are say you not lost. If you not lost, that means you know exactly which thing she a do. We require less energy than for just lay down on her back and take it. So may I ask you, what is it?
I must just put the lollipop in her mouth.
Then well on there now. If the lollipop in her mouth, then that not require more energy than if she just lay down on her back and take it. Am I missing something here?
No, sir, put the lollipop in her mouth and just move on her mouth. No, you not do no de so.
What you say? If you put the lollipop...
You can drop asleep with the lollipop in her mouth.
Well on there. All right then. Well, at least then, you see it. Well, I had it wrong. Then, I think so. Well, okay then. Yes, you say me really lost then, right? Don't you say me really lost then, right? Okay. So basically, you are telling me, say, it can take less energy, for a woman have a lollipop in her mouth than if she take his strength, with a juju. That you tell me. Well, I would have never think that because when I read the books, them on these things, I hear say the woman them if you move them head and them neck and all them something that when them get headers and all these things and whatever. So I just assume say that require more energy than if you just lay down on your back and make the man that they kill out himself and whatever. But you basically I say I guess you can just catch her mouth one side and make him dead.
Exactly. Same way so. I got you to be yourself.
No, you're killing me. I school me right, I school me.
You remember about a week ago where you did tell this story where the lady did go with her girls them?
Yeah.
And she have a drink and like when she come home, she tell the boyfriend or the husband, she take off my clothes, and when he take off her clothes.
Right, her underwear
never
never
no baggy.
Right.
And
right.
This lady, she called in, I said that she and her, them have girls' night and whatever. And the girl take off her bag. And I wave it and them something. And even if it drop and so she will not even take up the girl bag and put in her bag.
Right, she said she not take up her friend bag.
Not touch up.
If her friend drunk and thing and gone pee and go drop her bag, she said she not touch.
She's not a good friend. She's not a good friend.
Why she's not a good friend? Why?
Raga, 3 we are 4 we go and 1 frat and having a good time and she take off her underwear and whoop,
Right.
And it drop her ground and she not realize it drop her ground. Take it up and put it in her handbag or push it in her pocket. Me not see nothing wrong with that.
I don't say anything wrong with that, but if you remember when she called in, she was very adamant and firm. She not touch her friend baggy. Now care how our friend Frost and pass out or whatever. She said she not touching that baggy going stay there.
Raga, some people too disgusting and then come on radio, come go on like them all that and them not all
No, but
that.
what if it's a cleanliness thing for her? And she said, no, me not touch my friend baggy because I don't know what is what. Me not touch no woman baggy. Why for this so she there?
Raga, me not see nothing wrong with that. So, she and the friend know that eat and drink out of the sea and things. So why?
No, but that don't have nothing to do with baggy. That don't have nothing to do with baggy and Sal. That don't have nothing to do with baggy and Sal. That have nothing to do with baggy and Sal.
Always I take up for your gingeration.
Me not take up for nobody. Remember, say me did take on the woman to and say the wrong thing she attack because she should not take up her friend dress. I think so you come and cuss me and now say me I take up for my gingeration. Next thing you hear say me I take up for the people in my foreign. From what day you act for me, what me do you? Me kill him with my white phone. Me thief him with my white phone.
Hold on there. Me have some juice if you tell you I forget, you know. Oh
no, don't forget. No, hold on. Tell them, hold on. Are you Carl?
Me not talk my business.
Hold on. Okay.
Like
No. All right. Hold on. Tell them, say, we're going to take a break, but we want you to stay online here. I'm going to come back.
Yes, man.
All right. And try remember that city there, because we're coming right back here, you know. Okay, because we want to hear that one there. And think. And by the way, before we take a break, and think, listen to me, eating and drinking with two girlfriends different from Baggy and Sal, are two different sitting there. We're going to take a break, we're soon forward.
Decades of hits from the classics to current tracks. You'll find it all on the Bridge 99 FM, the station for everyone.
New style, yes. New flow,
The Bridge. The Bridge 99 FM to the world.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Yo, do remember tonight a Fatter Diamond party. I would have go around the thing, you know, I'm not seeing a flyer in here. Fatter Diamond party tonight and thing, you understand? Fatter Diamond, my brother party tonight, so I just roll out. What the place there, President? Dion what? Dion Night Club, I saw your name? Dion Night Club on Springfield Boulevard. No. Okay, all right, well on the people, well on the. And then me have a while of President, come here as a President, wait there. Okay, see it here people tonight, you know, Fatter Diamond something, birthday celebration. At the Day and Night Catering Hall, 131-23, Springfield Boulevard. So you know, say they're right near here. So I think tonight, Fatter Diamond, the refix, Fatter Diamond again in birth night thing tonight. Day and Night Catering Hall, 131-23. Right, music by Dubmaster Chris out of IrieJam, DJ Chris Dollar, DJ Linky, Stinger Movements, and of course, the General himself, Praisey Bushmate. People, Praisey, I play at the party tonight, so I don't know, say, after I done listen to the show and thing, and I just roll over there and lock it, and the great Abidala Saka Daddy and all these things, so people get there tonight. Day and Night Catering Hall, 131-23 Springfield Boulevard, right just so in Queens, New York. Fatter Diamond birthday party, a mad thing. Back to Alien, too cute. Alien.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, man. So
me not remember the juice, but you know what my thing shell out still. But when me remember the juice, me write it down and then one next time.
No, you can't go around me, son. No. Oh, you go around me, son. Think, oh, you mean you remember the juice? What you mean? Oh, you finna remember? Alien, you remember, man? How?
As a God.
How?
Me not remember. Serious.
All right, big up yourself. Big up yourself, now, Sarah. But for the record, though, you say I like Cookie Tell, though. Cookie Tell lie.
Lie tell.
And you know, it is just so depressing when woman tell lie on them front, you know, a man tell lie on them instrument.
Exactly, because there is one time in your life you start out, you go say, no, man.
Yeah.
This no make it.
Yeah, that one they never make it. Yeah.
The man always a tell her this and the man. And that you want here, you want what she has paid.
Exactly. You know, see, the more me ask her, she just go around and come around and bring me yes, and dash me over yes, and I carry me go all about the place and not answer the question directly and whatever. Anybody who has sort out long and sort out nothing in them life and sort out and say them never have at least one time when I said, John, you know, said I want to never do, I want to catch her back, you see her, you know, I want to catch him back, you see her, I never have something like that or whatever. Lie them, I tell.
Lie.
You can't go to all the time.
You see the man who call in Wednesday night and want to do this and want to do that with Mataran.
Yeah, well, people just remember that we have a woman who call the show named Mataran, right? So this have nothing to do with Tony Mataran. This is Mataran.
Yes.
So the man who call and say want to do something.
Tony.
Yeah, Keisha Mataran. Keisha Mataran. Yeah. What?
All right.
What about that man then?
Me no have no problem with swiping in Raga, but you see the man them will love eat out at everybody plate.
Yeah.
You understand me? Then walk around and eat out a clean plate, dirty plate, all kind of plate.
Yeah.
Me no rate them man there.
Why you not rate them man there? Why?
Because man not supposed to walk and eat out at everybody plate, Ragashanti.
Oh.
You have your nice clean girlfriend or your nice clean wife. Me no have no problem with that. You understand? But when you just fuck a woman, or every woman...
People are buck, she said buck. People are buck, she said buck. A woman, buck. A buck, she said.
Yeah.
So I don't know where President straighten up him face. So I'm thinking of something else she's saying. It's B-U-C-K. Him say, to you say, but you see when you just buck a woman, him think of one next word you say. President, the word start with a B. A B it start with. They want to see me nearly drop down. President, oh God, you know say Elena talks up on radio. She not said that word. Anyway, go on. Him wickedy. Anyway. Go on, Ta.
You know why can't eat out at everybody plate, brother?
May I ask you something? Tell me something. And what you know what Raga is a thinking man, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me something. Why some people say it nasty if a man walk around and eat everywhere? But them don't say it nasty if him walk around and grind everywhere.
Some people say nasty.
No, but I'm saying in general.
But them not. Yeah.
No, in general, people, them rate up a man, no. Him want to say, and boy, him say girl. And so if him walk around and sort out 20 million times, them not going to say the man nasty. But if him swipe 4 or 5 women, them say him nasty. Is that logical?
Because sometimes, you know, most of them we condom or some of them members say this wife, you know, condom no go on your mouth.
Well, no, them have a thing named dental dam, you know, but we're not talking about that right now. But what me just say in general, whether condom or not, there's a thing here where it is assumed that the mouth is a more delicate place, a more sacred place where you don't have to put all about. Isn't that the assumption behind it, don't it?
Exactly.
But
not to go all over the globe.
But you know, sir, without even swiping, the mouth more, if you're going to use nasty or dangerous or have more bacteria, mouth have more bacteria than a dirty penis or a dirty vagina, you know?
Yeah, that's say.
No, it's a medical fact. It's a medical fact. So you see, say what people are saying really makes sense, though, if you really get down to the science side, don't it?
But Raga, what people say, when they say nasty, you know, they don't mean say there's something dirty, you know, or so. They mean say if you walk on and eat everybody's food.
Yeah, me know, but what I'm saying is, we know, say, even though them use the term eat, them really not eat, right? So, them a do a different activity that more involve, shall we say, licking a ice cream, right?
Yes.
So, I find it interesting, like, me I say, you know, so this is one of them things that where people don't really think through either, you know, but I just find it interesting. Me now, I can't do anything, you know, because I actually support you, that's all. You know, I don't think, you know, you should hold somebody in that regard with us near anyway.
Anyway, that's
no. But when I say, when you get down to the objectives of it, you know, in terms of like objective reasoning about it and thing, like if the meds is that, no man, that nasty. In truth, then, if that nasty, then a man who a sleep around with a put him penis in a 10 million woman, that nasty too. Just as though if him a put him mouth on 10 million woman vagina, that nasty. Then putting him penis in a 10 million, that nasty too. But me just say in general, people don't look on it that way. Then.
Well, Raga, everybody know when people say man nasty, you eat wrong.
Right.
Everybody understand that nasty, the way we are talking.
Right.
Yeah.
Some years say one certain famous dread. We love chat too much. Me say that him go on with that thing, but we're not calling near right.
And dog bite too.
What you know about dog bite? Oh, you say
because him bite me up.
Oh, dog bite you up. As him the first time him link you know, him just start bite you up so down.
And him can't even bite.
And him can't even bite good and love bite down. Dog bite, you's a dirty man. All right, big up yourself here, Ilian. Later, man. Blessing. The people in New York and thing and who are listening to IrieJam Radio, do remember, say at 12 o'clock, it will cut off, but the show will continue up on the Bridge 99 FM at Jamaica. So again, if you are listening in New York, right, you know, big up yourself, but with us, I want you know, say, in about, you know, a little over 2 minutes, the show will cut off on IrieJam. But the show actually will continue for the next hour on the Bridge 99 FM, and the way for listen that is to actually go to the website, thebridge99fm.com, thebridge99fm.com, or download the app, the Bridge99fm.com app, the Bridge99FM app, or IrieJam 360 app, or go up on Facebook. Yo, President, see where them post. Them say, Raga, yeah, President, stress around. President, look where Dania post. Look where Dania post, I think. So, yeah, stress around. She breed and have triplets for you, and you know. And you know, President, yeah, walk this out the thing. Okay, people, you can go up on Facebook at IrieJam 360, okay? Facebook at IrieJam 360 for listen to the final hour, okay? All right. But you still can call in from the U.S. right now or anytime within the next hour, even though you're not hear it. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. So even though you're not hear it on the radio, on IrieJam, over the ear, when you can't hear it on the app them, and you can still attacking at the show, all right? So if you call from the U.S. and Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. One more time, 888-546-8742. If you buck your ex right now, what you say to your ex? If you buck your ex right now, what you say to your ex? And do you believe Cookie? Cookie says she has sat out for 20 odd years now. She love it. She had do it enough for 20 odd years, you know. And not one time I sat out never good. That's all. Somebody call her and free up today. Pan Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Mr. Wright call her and done her. Mr. Wright say a lie she a tell because she must have a look at one time when things never go on too good for her and thing and all these things. And whatever, Mr. Wright, take it to her. Hey, Mr. Wright, go on bad today doing the people. The man never hold back, man. The man take it. But he make a good point. Well, I don't know. I guess it's theoretically possible for somebody to start out for decades and never one day yet pop down in it. It's possible. I don't think it is likely. Right? I don't. Sometimes just out of feelings and whatever, and really, you don't even feel too well or whatever and thing, you know, and it just never 100, you know, all kind of thing reach and it just never 100. So I don't know about that something there with Cookie, you know. Anyway, good night, Carla. Wagwan. Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me not like to tell a fool they say, you see if you let the man Prezi, because Prezi no want no fool. She can't breed for Prezi and give Prezi triplet. Because guess what? Daddy can't breed. Money Queen can't breed.
What you say? Man what?
Money Queen.
Dania Jenkins. Atan Spice say, who you? I lie you tell. Because Dolly can't breed. She said mannequin can't breed. So I lie you tell Pam President. Atan Spice you call in and I defend her good man. I wish you had a run in though.
She run go. She said President catch her, fall alone them catch and she a fall. President want her. President name in your mouth. Out of order, you rude.
No, nasty this year. She bright.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Me have plans for next month. I want to hear what you hear about.
Yeah.
When I advertise out to business, because I keep it underneath secret to out of order.
Well, you President have thing and you keep it under secret and that I go,
Yeah, my President have plans for next month.
Some know about DNA, she posts and say what she breed for president and all these things and whatever.
You ever see Paul breed it? You ever see Dolly breed it? Huh? Like she tell President don't want
she name DNA. She write her name back way upon Facebook, but her DNA she name DNA and thing. Talk to her. Yeah, DNA she name. So Miss DNA.
Every day you're tidy.
Yeah.
Every day you're tidy. Every day you have on makeup. Every day you have on false eyelash, false ear, false fingernails. President never see you real yet. Miss Lady. The false toenail.
Yeah.
Miss Lady spoon can't make dumpling.
What?
Miss Lady President buy meat from come to supermarket season up already.
Wait. Now when you say president buy what?
Meat. What season up in the supermarket already?
Ready-made season up meat, dog.
Yeah, President buy that.
President buy that.
No.
Mannequin.
No.
Call her mannequin DNA. DNA mannequin.
Mannequin DNA.
No, say DNA mannequin. DNA mannequin.
Look here, me not my tongue to call her name. You can't make dumpling every day you have a fingernail. But take them off and make President see your finger.
What she do? You spoon and make dumpling for president? And that's she do?
Yeah, what you want you spoon make dumpling the president?
I want to buff on DNA mannequin. I want to go on this, sir. Buff on DNA mannequin. I use spoon make dumpling.
Wash rice. I don't know if you pick out rice.
Don't even know if you wash rice. That's not even if she even wash rice at all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know, you just go to the supermarket and take up a pack of rice and come and shake it out in a pot.
Yeah.
You have to ox coconut.
Yeah.
You have to wash a coconut and shred it and blend it and cook rice and peas, the man. Go ahead.
See it there? Repeat that. You said, go learn for ox coconut, go learn for wash coconut and shred it and blend it and think for president and all them something there. Buff on DNA mannequin. How you feel like?
But she's far. So you have a friend that she's pregnant and my friend has a baby. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Why you do it? Why you do it, DNA mannequin? Why you do it?
Why? Don't run in from president.
See that?
Every roost me have the want, every cat me have the want. No, me and president sleep and wake together. I want to see you. When I go to look, when me again, Raga?
Who?
The look Christian one. When me again, not Kevin.
Oh, Sajay.
Yeah, when I got to Sajay free single and this in gear.
Sajay, go pick up Sajay. Sajay, she go pick up now.
Yeah, free single and this in gear.
Where is it?
Free single and this in gear.
Where is it? She go pick up the little Christian one. No, go pick up DNA mannequin. Go pick up the little Christian one. Yeah, she said for love present. Go pick up the little Christian one. DNA mannequin.
Right.
Oh, wait there. I thank Spicy. One named Delmarine Wells, she posts, I swear for my mother name, this is what she posts, right? So this is for you. She said, I use spoon to make dumpling. I don't like to feel flour on my hands. What you think about them woman there who said them a Jamaican and I want to feel flour upon them hands?
Because them can't cook and them don't know if you need flour.
See, no, I agree.
Cook and them don't know if you need flour.
I agree. I agree.
Everything that you're supposed to cut and clean.
I agree. Baffan. I try to fix up the thing. No, she named Dalmarine. She posts, I use spoon to make dumpling.
Where spoon can't make dumpling. President want that.
No, hold on. You know, so I'm going to say something right here, so and thing. I'm going to say something right here, so you know. I'm going to say something.
Talk, and
you know,
these are not too cute, you know. These are not too cute. I feel like you can jump and talk.
Listen to me. When me that say I have nothing to do with you and whatever, and I'm know, oh, you accuse me, say jump on you, you know. Listen to me. Hold on, be you act for me. I tell Spicy, big and serious, and I'm jump on you, you're gonna like it, you know. Me I make sure I would make sure you like it. But
you can't jump on me. I'll press your lie down for me already. But I'll press your lie down for me so you can jump on me.
No, me nah do that. Me nah go, if press your lie down for you, me nah jump on you right this. And I might mix that or whatever. But when I said, you know, big and serious, you know. And I don't want who do this vex, you know, but right now, I don't feel say you can't trust a woman who says she a Jamaican and I use spoon make dumpling, you know. You can't trust a woman like that, you know. Something wrong right there, so, you know.
Something wrong there, so big time.
Something wrong there, so, yeah. You can't trust that. Just in general, you can't trust a woman like that. You can't trust a woman like that. Any woman that use spoon make dumpling, don't trust that woman there. Do not trust that woman. Any woman who is a spoon dumpling maker, right? Any woman who is a spoon dumpling maker, you can't trust a woman like that. Don't trust a woman like that.
If you trust like that, go learn to peel banana. You can't peel banana. Go learn.
No, hold on. Any woman who use spoon make dumpling can't peel banana. Any woman who use spoon make dumpling can't steam rice.
Can't peel banana.
Any woman who use spoon make dumpling can't season meat good. Right?
Can't season meat.
Any woman who use spoon make dumpling can't hand wash nothing. Right? Any woman who use spoon make dumpling, don't even make them bust a bump in your face because you're liable to get something where you don't like and whatever. Any woman who use spoon make dumpling, all kind of things wrong with them. All kind of things wrong with them.
Things wrong with them.
All kind of things wrong with them. Yeah.
Wash your hand and get the fingernail them cut smooth and clean and knead up the flour. And make your dumpling put in a
no, you can't trust any woman who use spoon make dumpling. Any woman who use spoon make dumpling for hang out with mongoose. Any woman who says she's a Jamaican and use spoon make dumpling. No, that don't even sound. Yeah. That don't sound right at all. There is some.
That don't sound right.
No. There is something like that is like saying Vladimir Putin is Ukrainian. It just don't even make sense. You understand?
No sense right.
It don't make no sense. Well, it's a contradiction right there, so. It's a contradiction right there, so. Yeah.
Flowers pretty and money, Chris. What you want, beauty baby? You not get no beauty baby. Love me and Prezi.
Okay.
I want to see what you hear about me. Me and Prezi sleep and wake together. Me and Prezi do the things them on the phone. I want to see about chip that.
You and Prezi do the things them on the phone?
Yes.
Yeah, Prezi do the things them for you on the phone, though.
I come out and me and Prezi business. Me give you a little piece and you want the whole life.
No,
me give you one little piece and the whole life.
Well, Prezi on the Skype video, Prezi I go on with the something them for you, no?
I'm just tell you, I'm going back with the things them for Prezi.
Okay, all right then, okay.
Come to Jamaica have the baby because Andrew say any baby band DNA have to run. So come to Jamaica, me pay for that to run the DNA.
Okay.
And you will not the father.
DNA mannequin you talk to, no. Jackie Chiwan come get Prezi. All right, let me take some of that call here.
All right. Well, Prezi gone already?
Yeah, Prezi gone because him have to go play. Prezi have to leave 12 o'clock in the cause him play one club and him have play a Fatter Diamond party tonight, you know?
Yes, me know. You go see me on him phone. They go get you read.
Me, I go see upon him phone. Me not go see upon him.
You can have a video call him. You can have video chat tonight.
So what that have to do with me? Or me I go see that?
Then you Prezi I go show you can see there. I show you proof.
No, but me not go there. The Prezi gone already. So me not want to see nothing with you and Prezi on phone.
I don't. Brother.
Oh, at the party.
Me attack.
Where you? Oh, so when you're at the party, I got up on the phone with him to like it. Okay.
Thank you very much, brother.
Prezi just come back, look like him forget something and thing. Prezi say, Prezi, when you come for you forget something? No, hold on, I can't hear you. What you do, you forget something? Hold on, what's your name? They say, Shago call you and thing and whatever. I hear, I thank Spicy. Hold on, Prezi, I hear you right now, talk to him, yeah.
President, remember, so me I call it tonight when at the party I play and when Raga come here, you go there like lock, like Lucy Glow.
Hold on. You hear now? Okay, yeah, talk again. Him just say the headphone.
Mr. President, remember said tonight when at the party I play, never video call you and never lock on you like Lucy Glow. So Raga will surely see me and say me not tell no lie. Well, I remember say me have fancy next month.
All right, no problem.
What you mean, all right, no problem? So, President, so what go on with that? DNA said that cha breed for you down there, Jamaica. And that's why I say a jacket. I want go on. You go Jamaica, go breed DNA mannequin for you?
It's too hard for jacket.
No, when President come to Jamaica, me I know. When President come to Jamaica, me I know.
President, me attack you. Where you buy out the argument for? President, you screech it down there and did that shell out DNA mannequin, no?
No, sir.
What you mean? No. So I like DNA mannequin, I tell you?
Exactly.
Hold on, the President. I like DNA mannequin.
I'm a shaggy. It wasn't me.
It was you. I'm a shaggy. So you never. So I like DNA mannequin. I guess you want to give a belly, no?
It looks so.
I don't know. One last question, President. You know, so them a beat Hot and Spicy size 10. How you feel about the size 10? Talk up now, President. How you feel about the size 10?
Can't work with it, man. You know
Listen! No, sir, Hot and Spicy, you get ratings tonight. All right, President. Hot and Spicy, you get ratings tonight. You get ratings tonight. No.
The baby always give me ratings.
See,
you always give me ratings.
DNA mannequin, you sure get flopped tonight. You sure get flopped tonight. You get beat in the left. I want to sound there in my phone at times.
And me, I whistle Raga, me.
I whistle, yeah, whistle.
Yeah, with the finger.
Yeah, whistle with your finger?
Yeah.
Do it again.
You can't use my finger, Raga.
No, do it one more time again. Do it. No, make we hear the whistle again.
Well, I put on the fork and wait.
No, nobody do it again. Nobody do no more. Hot and Spicy.
Yeah?
You see that thing there where you say you whistle?
Mm-hmm.
It sound like when you kill young fowl, you know. Me just make you know. It sound like It sound like when people are change up their room and them a draw them dress up on the ground, you know, Hot and Spicy. That it sound like, you know. It sound what kind of you talk about whistle Hot and Spicy? That sound like when dresser drop on concrete. That sound like when dresser and wardrobe and better drop on ground, but whatever this and that. Listen to me. Hot and Spicy, that never sound like whistle. That never sound like no whistle a while ago. You know what's up? Listen to me. You know what's up? For a second, the first time you do it, me I said, Jesus Christ, somebody a choke her and a kill her down there. And she dey on the phone. And whatever, me nearly go call Crime Stop. Listen to me. A while ago, me nearly call Crime. Go finger there, your mouth.
I'm a finger in my mouth, but I'm here to finger my phone.
Listen to me. If I saw your mouth sound when finger in eye, don't bother give him on the headers here, because it not, you're going to turn him out. Listen to me. If I saw your mouth sound when you put your finger in, don't give him on the headers, because you're going to turn him off. Because he's going to say, work it, baby, work it. And then when you're going to put it, you're going to go, and he's going to say, my girl, I want that. Lego that. What?
When I come to Jamaica. When I come to Jamaica.
No, when I come to
everybody asks me when you come to Jamaica, I don't keep us showing us. So when I come to Jamaica.
Yeah, what I go on now. You know what I'm between me, well, not between me and you, but you know what I do something where I'm busy with every day up here. I'm not done till next year, you know. So
no problem.
So you say after next year, but after July next year. You know, I'm free up, you know. So if we go on wallet and thing, all right? Okay.
All right. But all right, I'm say when I come to Jamaica, I'm gonna use my finger up on the stage and show you say, I whistle the finger. Don't right.
Wait.
Don't right.
Well, on when we come to Jamaica, you're gonna come up on the stage and use your finger.
I whistle.
And whistle. We never hear that part there. We never hear that. No, I'll me hear you say you're going to use your finger, so we never hear the hand whistle and things. So I'm going to say, no, it's not that kind of show, you know. We don't want to come.
Jesus, it's time for the kids.
No, I'm going to say, no. Me just going to tell you, say, at times I am outrageous and thing, but no, that gone too far. You can't. I trouble you, man. I trouble you. But down here, you man. I think I trouble. All right. Nah, man, when me and forward me, make you know, man. All right, big up yourself here.
All right, me love.
Yeah, we say size 10. I want some people, President, love it, though. Them for know. All right. Yo, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Greetings. Hello.
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 Hi.
Hi.
Me ready for the one praising him. Me ready for after me just drop him there so. He ma come go like you want this. Me I walk him and go walk why he show tonight.
Oh,
I walk.
Well, I did you why? Dear the mannequin on the phone. Dear the mannequin on the phone. What you say? What you say? Well, I
go walk. Me just let him up and come back with something. And I let him go. Me don't say that every minute. I walk him, I go walk tonight. I walk.
But
right.
No. I don't want to flap your shoe, you know. I don't want to flap your shoe, you know. But a Jamaica you call from.
It don't really matter. It don't really matter. You can't do something called dream. You have something called dream.
What you say dream?
Yes.
You're killing me.
The time when he never did, they never tell him about him there.
How him did that here? Tell me where him did there. Tell me where him did that. How him did that here?
You have the bill and the receipt.
Bill and receipt. How him did that here? It look like on a night that the triplet them make down. On a night that the triplet them
from real Montego Bay, Roger.
Okay, them
we
for no
butler service, Roger. So you know what you might come one with.
There's something.
Why you put back yourself at my gate.
Okay, so what? So if him turn up back at your gate, what? You done with him?
I flat. I'm done with him.
You know, go back there with President.
In the say I got father too, you know. Ready and wait.
Me, I got father. Me.
Yes.
Oh, me jumping. I'm
more tired than father. So after I will pick out name already, you know.
Well, pick out name. It's a triplet. Where they pick them name? What they pick them name? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Kingston. We have Kingston, Kingsley, and Kingsley.
What you say they pick them name? Kingston, Kingsley, and Kingsley. No.
Right.
Well, not bad. Triple K.
Exactly.
Triple K.
Within brightness. Me no know I'm to me, you know. Me no know I'm to me. She fly up with Prezi. But she did there. When Prezi either. Me no know what me go. Me no know what phone to pick up can when I concern her they go. Me no know what I'm to her. Wash up.
Oh my days.
You're spicy done long time. Me no know I'm to you.
No, but in fairness to her.
No man a mannequin time. You know, she said the dolly them come out. I want to you.
A mannequin time, a dolly them around the place too, right? Yeah. A BBL around the place, you have to do your body. A data go on, a data keep right, you know. A data keep.
She don't know, I want to her, she the back a cow.
Yeah.
Your time is up.
Yeah, I thought spicy.
A mannequin, me say,
I thought spicy, you know, the ring. Dolly up, if you want to real things. Dolly up, hot and spicy. Nothing now go on fair right, you know. Your size 10 foot too natural.
You ask a question.
Yeah.
Things for the X.
Yeah.
It is over. All you need to know is that you take care of your triplet them or the ban February 14th.
What you mean, President?
Yes, that's my message to the X.
Well, upon Valentine's Day. Well, then the triplet them a Valentine's Day, them a ban.
Yes, we make sure that was going to be our gift because we're supposed to come back so we do a little thing. So I know I will not tell it what we say, but talk the phone right.
No,
because
but him done you do, me not lie, no, him done you doing the cause him say nothing no go so a jacket you want give, and then him turn around and say, right, you know, when me pay Jimbo at and spicy size 10 foot, him say, you hear me right, you know, me I work with it, and the man said that part here. Public and open. So him own up size 10 foot and thing. You understand? So me not like.
good something, all them good something there when I have the bill I receive.
Yeah.
I can prove them, you know what to some girl.
Oh,
They need
sure.
to step back.
Valentine's Day.
I just want to think the way I feel, you know.
Valentine's
you have to take
Day.
it away.
Kingston, Kingsley, and Kelsey.
Right.
You know, you have a proper mix up though. But me like it. Me like it. You love the arms house, you know what I want.
Yeah. I hope you don't get president or trouble, you know.
No, man. People understand my show, you know. Who don't understand that, them go drop asleep. We don't even look by them. Who don't understand the foolishness where we go out, you know.
Right. The dream something that really work. Me still at hold on to me dream though. God know me not lie.
Which dream you talking about?
Yeah, R. Kelly, God know.
With R. Kelly?
Yeah, man, me still wait for the pool table dream day.
Nah, man, but you still love R. Kelly?
Careful now.
Then hold on, big and serious, you know, see what I'm doing with the little girl, and man, why you are supporting?
You can't try carefully, that's what I'm please.
I know, but look what I'm doing with the little girl.
Me not need to hear no about what they run this so.
You just still love your R. Kelly, no?
Not change.
All right then, but me did stop.
Hello,
anybody I listen to him, you see from all them thing the boss, me not play music, you know, and all them something, you know.
You're bad man. You're
not bad man. Me just support what him do with the little. I just don't support what him do with the little girl then.
Reggae music we talk about, we not talk about when you did you hear I mention anything? We talk about music and
okay, all right. That well you know how to deal with him on your level. And me deal with him on mine.
You don't know if you just block out certain things.
No, I can't block out that one there. No, I can't block out that one there. You understand? We have to defend the little girl. I want to you. Him violate. Nah, nothing to do with R. Kelly. Him guilty, man. Him violate. And him do it enough too. Remember saying I want to look at one half thing with him, you know.
No, sir. But you know, I still can understand once somebody can pull off all of them something there. So I'm to everybody else. I him one example. And that's corruption will ever be there.
No. That's you're right, but because you have white men up here. You know, so you have some states up here where older man can't there with 14, 15-year-old and whatever if they marry them.
You not even think about this because what come up in the head right now if you just, you know.
No, yeah.
But, you know, you need to pay for what you do. But come in, me not support them thing, but that's just one of my thing.
No, but between me and you, you know, you see from him they come at Jamaica and when Beanie Man perform, him say after Beanie Man perform, him want the stage disinfect before him go upon it. And them have to disinfect the whole stage before him go upon it. You know, so that little boy rank and feisty and thing. And we say, but him brighten up, no, and them did have to wash and disinfect on the stage after Beanie Man done perform, you know. Him say I'm not going on after Beanie Man perform. Him say him have to disinfect the stage because he's a germaphobe and a clean freak, you know. Him very strange, you know. Yeah, like the things them where the girls them say in position them and them beat them and then them have to stay in a one position for hours till them come back and dumb. He's weird. He's really weird. All you are talking, you see, all you are killing up yourself. Yeah, all you like are the good looking R. Kelly who sing good and thing. Any of you did there with R. Kelly, you'd end up a cussing one. Just say R. Kelly, you're bright now, but where from you? Somebody's a man. You'd a running man, me I tell you. He's very strange.
But after again, you go, you know, me going and nothing for that. But you know, you said that way. You're going to afford. You're going to afford no man.
Okay.
The pool everything me tell about. You can't.
I don't know if you'd run it. I don't know if you'd run it for him. I don't know if you'd run it for him. If you'd give him look a green.
Yeah, man. Just the one time there. You're going to afford no.
Just a look one run. You'd give him a one run. No.
You're going to afford no.
Hey.
That's not even far. That's a 4.
Boy, you know, say you're over the western side of Jamaica, don't?
What do you mean?
No, the western side of Jamaica, you call from.
You want me to know my location?
No, because over there them say 4.
No.
No, I know the western side.
I pick it up.
I pick it up.
Cause me know how you stay yellow. How soon I could say all of that? Tell you things to show you too far.
Oh, you just give no the western side. You call from for true, you know. You know, so you try go around.
Move it.
You try go around, you know.
Moving on.
Moving on. You see, you try avoid it over that side there, man.
Because me not answer you try work your little brain now to get confirmation and me not falling out.
No, me just want to learn. Yeah, when me say no, man, me just want to learn, man, and you don't know say language and location. Language and location are part of my thing, you know. And you know, over the left on the left side, when you say grieve, when you don't say dandisha, when you say sight and thing, and then when you say fur, I want to call ground dirty and them something there. I want to say fur. So don't know what side they you call from. Don't where the Chilani, where the Chilani side. Mobile side there.
Hey, if you don't learn nothing from you can't trick me.
No, all right. No, you say, you know, with you, no, me will come different with you, you know. You see, you're one of them woman the back in. You see, back in the day. No, what man?
From me, I go school, me I listen to you, so me know certain tricks and trade you have to come good.
Then that me I tell you, see, one of them woman the back in the day, you know, me I look you, and I read, you know. Me can't put no looking, me I look in them, but now put no lookings argument to you. But still I look.
Even make it worse because that's not gonna work with me because you will never get through.
No, but me I say, no, me not say me born forget. I'm not one of them man there would I say me must get through, you know. Me just I said back in the day, you're one of them woman there. It's true you alert and you look for every angle. You know, give all that woman there nothing for work with. Nothing for work with. You see already, you know, you have to be patient, you know, man. Patient. And thing and whatever.
Me not think you're a job. So
you think so what?
You're not a job. So you have to have a patient like a job. I mean, not think
well, that's true. That's true. Me that's true. No, me don't wanna. No, me not run down. Me don't wanna them man never run down things, you know. But at the same time, me know you know them 6 months weird feet something there and all them. So you must.
You're lucky. Good things come to those who wait.
Yes, and good things you can keep it. Yeah, right? You can keep it.
Of course, because guess what? ROSE is being sold where?
What you say? What? Oh, that go what? But on the Jamaican woman, but you must be a good things come to those who wear. I say, all right, no more cars.
You're going a certain culture where you know it is a different culture from what we are used to out here. It is freer.
What?
We're not freer. To be freer in this country, you have to pay.
You have to pay a fee, no?
Right, and that certain place where you are, it is free for a drink.
It is free.
We don't play that game here.
But you say up here, so you buy a woman a drink, you get salt out though.
Don't mix me up, are you saying?
No, not. But down in Jamaica, you have to pay a fee, though.
I'm glad why you say it and me don't mix me. Mix up your want get me now.
No, me not get in a mix up and whatever. But
people hear when say.
No, but if you have to pay a fee and whatever, but well then me wouldn't get it coming. I pay a fee. But you know what is fun? You know, so one time one woman said that to me and whatever and this and that. I mean, no man, I spend money on her.
How much?
Right? No man, just we'll go out and all these things and whatever.
When I say go out different.
No man, go out, money spent on her. Not like crazy, you know, but I mean like fear thing was money for spend. I went money spent, no. Cut long story short, so one time no Ray, that man link me whatever this and that, blah 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 blah. And thing I realize bam bam bam. I say, no, you know, I'm good. I don't even nothing like that, you know, whatever. And then she was like, what do you mean? And whatever. And I was like, no, I'm good. And, you know, and fear thing was, so, you know, want it? I said, no. And she have me up for a while. She didn't get over it eventually, but...
Would I have you up too?
No. Here's a question. Why you have me up? Why?
Because you did not take out the offer.
But what is wrong with that? But hold on, you as a woman, look how much man look you and you turn them down.
True.
So, but it look a weird though if you say a man a flirt with you, a carry you out, a treat you good, nah rush you and whatever for a long while, and then when you reach a point now, if you say, you know, something like him and him deserve so and thing, and then you come now and the man say no, something wrong with that because the man say no.
And Joseph.
What?
And Joseph say, your new name now, Joseph, you're funny.
No, I'm not Joseph. And you see it, you see, oh, yeah, una think and whatever, but rather, una must always have an own way and whatever. I just tell her no. Right? And she asked her why. I said, no, to me, it wasn't even like that. But you flirt with me, and you carry me out, and me, and you go out, and we hug up and thing. And what? Nothing ever happened to me.
You're lying.
Listen to me now, man. I'm not going to lie, you know. Here we go.
All of it, you always show up about how you do this and all of a sudden, no, something wrong.
No, you know, say you just tell a lie. I'm not going to tell you what you just tell a lie. You know, say you just say me show up about it. You know, say me not, you never want to hear me show up about anything to do with a woman, you know.
Oh, you mean?
Wrong, all right.
I forget to answer to your new name, and Mr. Watch something. Boy, you follow being the woman now watching. Mr. Watch.
What you talking about? What you talking about? Follow back at who watch.
The long-term memory, they may just remember the show you did a find out about the girl you deal with.
No. You just say follow back. What you talking about follow back? What that?
The girl one time, I remember you say you park up in your car, watch her. After she tell us she's sick. Me find out the new name them for you, Mr. Watch Out.
Oh, you mean so when me circle her?
Yes.
Oh, so what's wrong with that?
You're too fast. You're just to see where you never went to see. It's sweet me night, you see. I roll, you see.
No. So what I don't know. So,
hear me. I'm sorry, say I never like.
No. I like what you just saying, because me want the man them listening, you know. So I must say me and her a deal, you know. And she tell me about she's sick and whatever, you know. I'm going to go some book and... hold on, man.
A miracle wasn't work.
What you say, what?
A miracle wasn't work.
Where's the miracle worker? I should get better quick, no. No, well on. So me go up the road and drive, go up way near the North Street, circle and come back down and with us in and see Miss Lady who she say, well, in a miniskirt I go down the road or whatever. And think when we go on the East Coast, me see she go talk to the gunman and then my brethren Dale say, then my brethren Dale now tell me say, I really a man that you know the gunman now. And you gonna tell me say, me wicked.
Touch me again.
No. So what I know. So the fact I'm find out that I just leave her and me and her good see me. I mean, go back this one thing now. What you that say with that?
Too fast.
I mean it fast, no.
Yeah.
So me should I just take a can? Well, I know me should I just take a can, no?
Exactly. It's enough.
You see, all you know, you reveal yourself, you know, you're wicked, you know. You're wicked, you know. You are wicked, you know. You're wicked, you know. You're banting and wicked, you know. You little girl, you're wicked, you know. Yeah, you're Satan parry. You are Satan parry.
No, you know what?
Okay.
We broke up. We broke friendship.
You and Lucifer are juggle. You and Lucifer are juggle.
We broke friendship. You say me install for an AC with part Indian and can't deal with this.
Yeah, no, I believe you know. Yeah, you. That is something you da do. Gonna hell and gonna put in air conditioner for you. Me not put that part. You're dangerous girl. You look one here. You're dead. But anyway, we are gonna take a break. But pick up yourself, you know, there and thing and whatever. My condolence to your President Fling and Bush. With all the hype and going like you're good as and all them thing the president dash away and the hot and spicy thing there. I think I saw the thing set your depression I take you now. All right.
No worry, the dolly them are gonna fix up and come good again.
Dolly up! Alright, bless up yourself here, boo. Yeah man, cool. Take a break, Kevin.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in at the juggling, people. Back in at the juggling. Oh, God. Back in at the juggling and thing. 876-676-4 4996 876 676 4996 876 676 4996. On the upside of 20 minutes to go. And think to the phone line. We go. Good night. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
What? Move away from the radio in that background, please. All right.
Nice.
Yeah, what go on?
Almighty God, Raga, man, you have the mannequin so long for the radio, man.
What you say about mannequin, what?
No, I said the mannequin so long for the radio.
DNA mannequin, yeah. What you think about that?
Yeah. You know, I like her voice.
You like DNA mannequin voice and whatever thing?
I know some nice up in brother with so nice flowers.
You da do a what?
Nice up in brother with so nice flowers.
You da nice up DNA mannequin veranda with some nice flowers, no?
And some with her still.
All right, what kind of flowers you da give her?
I give him nice brother flowers with bloom pink, white.
Pink, white.
And green.
Pink, white and what?
And green.
And green. Pink, white, and green. Yeah. No, but you have to tell her what the flowers them name. What the flowers them name.
One name pink rose. One name nothing to match me. One name cocoa rose. And one name blue. I don't call it bluebird and call it.
Bluebird.
Yeah.
One name bluebird. One name cocoa rose. One name pink rose. What you say the second one name nothing for match me?
Yeah.
You have one flowers name nothing for match me?
Yeah. A different color them.
No man, hold on. You sure you have one flowers a Jamaican name nothing for match me?
Serious. This when I get cut I can't scrape.
No man, me never hear about the flowers yet. You have a flowers name.
Yeah, different color. They have red, green, white, and purple.
None of hold on, Carol over London. She said those are burial flowers. I kill you. Hold on. I did. Yes, I did. Yes, DNA mannequin. I did. Wait. What you want to do? What?
No, I'm sure that flowers there. That are not burial flowers. The burial flowers then call it croton. A croton, I don't plant a burial ground. Croton.
No, croton, not a burial flower. Croton. You sure?
You got people planting there.
Well, and somebody said that flowers exist for true, nothing for match me, yeah. Somebody just I said, right, the flowers are Jamaican here, nothing for match me. So why it's a not Yeah, we can't but I know you know it's a Jamaica sample. You have a flowers are Jamaican here, nothing for match me. Why them call it that? Only God can tell you. Why them what?
Not too much me got a different color, they say to match them. And they say Joseph coat of many colors.
Me know Joseph coat of many colors, but me never know nothing name, nothing for match me. Huh?
Yeah.
Somebody a post on Facebook, Mr. Bram say, yes, yeah, flowers a Jamaican name, nothing for match me for true.
Yeah. I true, man. I got that.
Okay, but what I know, you see DNA now, I don't know if you're listening, you know. A money a fear pre-straight, you know. She not eat through the money thing, a general, you know. You think you could have managed that?
A farm me deal with. Time with me farm.
So what I know, yeah, a farming you deal with, but what you think Shaka done? Yam the whole of the yam them where you plant and the cocoa and the dashing them and thing and whatever and the nothing for match me flowers and money she a deal with. So what the pre? What the pre?
You can make money off of them.
Oh, you can make money and she can make. What you mean? When they give her, she can sell it and go make money, no?
Yeah.
Well, listen now. No, man, listen to me now, man. I'm going to tell you something right now. I want you to listen to me, right?
Yeah.
You see what you just say now? You see somebody like DNA mannequin. You see what you just say? Say she can't make money off of the things. A bad word you cost to her because you tell her she have to work. She not going to work. She lazy.
Look at her. Me make money.
No, she DNA mannequin lazy. She lazy. I can't tell you I'm a lazy woman that. So you have to give her the money straight. You know what I'm doing? The only work she want to work, have to fix up her ear and probably like kind of file down her nail them. The only work she want to work, have to put on her clothes and beard and whatever. That a work for she. She don't want to do no extra work for money. You have to give her the money straight.
Yes, some kind of work. Yeah, no. We will put in the work and when and then we go out and make the money.
Yeah.
And then when the money come now, he support the baby.
Who support the baby? You also
Me.
you want to breed her too?
So me sure how it thing set.
No, well, you want to breed her too, no?
Yeah, but I give her a baby and I vibe so nice to me, I like her.
Yeah, vibe so nice and you like her, whatever, and this and that. Okay.
Yeah, they give me more vibe and he give me more, like he make me love start move.
She make you what?
He make me love start move when I talk. Me love start move, yeah.
Oh, when the mannequin attack, it make your love start move down. Make your skin raise down.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I talk about bigger than your job. Rock the face.
Oh, Lord Jesus, look at that.
Yeah,
Like you feel her, though.
Yeah.
No, the way you talk right now, I can see her, you like you're too nice piece of yam right now, don't it?
Yeah, and too jelly cook and wash out being hard.
And too heavy planting too. Make she understand herself, don't.
And too pine. And too pine and Jew plum.
And too pine and Jew plum, yeah, because you know pine. Yeah, because pine and Jew plum, because she needs something for juke up her throat too, because you know Jew plum have that little juke. Yeah, juke up her throat with that Jew plum, yes. Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
No, but you see somebody like she, you know, you can't come in and look at idiot sort out, you know. You see, DNA now. Hold on, man. No, man, you listen to Master Raga, listen to your big brother. You see somebody like DNA Mannequin now. It's when you start out, you know, you have to kind of get a little small choke and all these things, you know. You think you could have managed her?
Yes, ma'am, can manage her, man.
You could have choke her?
Yeah, general, man.
Well, you could have put it on. Well, man, you're general, but you could have put it on panel and choke her a little bit and thing.
Yeah, man. I leave that. A minor.
A minor thing that and whatever. Okay.
Yeah, that's a minor. Okay. Father God, me praise.
Father God, you praise. And she one of them woman that too, like when they start out sweetheart, she may shot your box, you know. But you forgot us. You see when she shot your box, you can't do box her back, you know. You forgot when she shot well, you forgot us hold her around and then catch her and send it on her and thing. And then now, when you do that now, you see them woman, you know, them like when you put on a sound. You have to have a sound. So you see, she goes to boom and box you when they start out sweet. Because it sound like you put it on. And so she box you, you go to boom. And hold her hand and embrace her. And you start pump, you have to make a sound. What kind of sound you da make to her? What kind of sound?
Raga, I really Raga, but that's on there.
No, just make it sound. Remember, say you're not saying nothing rude, you know. You just make it sound like whatever sound. So if you brace there, because remember, say the mannequin a gangster, no, either two man you deal with, you know. A thug you deal with. Yeah. So when you put it on her, she goes to boom and box you. And then you go to hold her and embrace her and catch up her foot and you go send it on and you make a sound. What kind of sound you make when you send it on?
I love you, boy.
Why? Murder! Yo! Only God can't tell you something. Yo! No! Murder! Hey, she just did it. Only God can tell you. See that sound there? She just did. She just did under the treatment. Let me try and make back that sound. I go again. Yo! The mannequin just dead right there, sir. Yo, me.
Yo, sir, no.
Yeah.
You may say, no. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man.
I hear that mannequin assistant about you now.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Listen now. Good night, dear mannequin. My name is Nicholas. You know what I say? When the night come in, I listen, you. I talk to Ragashanti, and so I like your voice, and I have the feelings here. And so I like you gone to heaven. I mean, I talk about bigger than you, Jew, but walk with the faith. So if you talk about bigger than you, Jew, walk with the faith. And me, I'm here the smaller brother. After me, faith, turn up, you know. So if you right now, I like you, you know. I'm going to like to meet you in Jesus' name, you know. And right now, you make some nice clothes and give you, you know.
Flowers and things.
And nice clothes and put for everyone. And
See
And that's
that.
what you can buy the pot them and give you.
See that. Yo, only God can tell you. Give her a tune. Give her a tune. Give her a. You know, mannequin. Listen to that tune. Only God can tell you. I'm going to send her right away. Listen to that tune.
Hey, baby girl. When I heard your voice the first night, I'm falling in love with you in Jesus' name. Hey, baby girl, please give me a phone call. My number is 484-2380. I'm in St. Nicholas, but them call me only God can tell. He say, hey, baby girl, love you. Please give me a call. Me because I need to over feet.
Artist, Beanie Man in a trouble, Bounty Killer in a trouble, Sanchez in a trouble, all entertainer in a trouble right now. The real St. Nicholas roll out upon them. Only God can tell you anything. Man, an artist and thing. To any rebel, make the link. Because the artist need for the rebel salute. I want to some people. Bye. Eh? Yeah?
But you know, I'm on the
Okay. Condolences again.
Yes, and the rain come down.
Okay, as it done, the rain come down.
Yeah, it finished.
Man.
When it finish, the rain come down.
Well, you don't know. Condolences to you and your family and thing. Your grandmother tried on.
Good time. Yeah,
man. All right. Respect here, sir.
Yeah. So what you know?
Yeah.
Tell Leila, man, the kids give me a
no, well, on shall listen right now, so talk to her.
Yeah, man, the kids. Good night. I mean, Nicholas, yeah.
Yeah, man, you tell.
You know, right now, I'm farming, me deal with. I come with me plant and cane and pine and flowers, garden work, landscaping, that's it.
Man.
So, yes, I come here advice tonight, Friday night, here advice. Why, me feel it's dear for you, my baby. Feel it's dear for you,
all right, she hear you, yeah.
What's the bag of code? I know what's the bag of code. I talking, just follow your heart.
Yeah.
The number is 4.
No, well on. She hear your number already, man. So, all right. Big up yourself, here.
Me know what code I'm going to give me number.
All right. Now, say a word, man. Big up yourself, here. She hear you, man. All right? All right. Cool. Blessing. Next call before we let go, you know. Greetings. Hello.
Raga.
Yo,
Blessings.
Yeah, wagwan.
Yo, my dear Raga, I'm just at my brother.
What you mean? You laugh till you chest at you, know?
Yo, John knows time I tell you. Yo, the part is to only God can tell what sound it would make when time he must start out and thing.
Yeah.
Brother, yo, I tell you say.
The turnover, real boss make you sound them, and that me I tell you, yeah. That one the rock, you know.
I tell you, man.
Yeah.
I'm not like still now. I never come on this program and compliment someone.
Yeah.
No, I'm not like still. Our voice sound good for true.
Oh, DNA voice sound good for true?
Yeah, man. Like our voice and thing, man.
You know, some I not got bad mind and whatever this and that. But I'm glad sound like our voice because me afraid of her.
Yeah, well, me don't know about that, but to me, I like our voice and thing. Our voice sound seductive.
What? Our voice, DNA voice sound seductive? Listen to me. That is the open wallet voice, and that may I tell you. She know what she do. Probably a hear her talk, otherwise you're not going to believe her the same voice as she hear on the radio. She know what she do when she call the radio. That may I tell you about. Listen to my swagger, we know the road code. You see the voice what you hear on the radio? I can almost guarantee it's not a regular voice that. Listen to me. If the other man can cuss you right here now, not even, you don't feel worse than a dead dog. Me know that woman there, me know how woman I talk to a while ago, you know. You see, she, a bad piece of girl that, right? A bad piece of girl that. All right, then me I tell you, the voice, the seductive voice when you hear on radio, you hear her talk. You say, if you are going to drop to her and you don't even look ready and all them something and whatever, and you're bright like you want to come and sparks with her, and she going to done you. The voice where you are going to hear this, so you're not going to believe the same seductive voice you hear on the radio. Right? Yeah. She just put on the open wallet. She put on the credit. She put on the credit card voice when she called, the open wallet voice when she called. You understand? She put on the Western Union voice when she called, the MoneyGram voice. Me know that voice there. You think, hey, but anyway, you can't go on like her, see me, you know, me not fight her, you know, so anything, you know, so you don't know.
But you can write no sense still, you know. You can write no sense, man.
What you mean? What you mean?
No, man. When they say, yo, she have, she kind of move on the side to me, you know. You see,
A bad girl lot, man. A bad. You know, say she know the road code, man. A Gina lot, man. You see all she know. When me a while auntie, me say me and there, you know, me want you teach me. I saw me juggling. I saw me juggling, you know. Yeah, me always tell man to do that, you know. Yo, I have about 2 or 3 girlfriend, man. Where anything them want you give them, I just you charge them there, right?
Yeah.
And then all when them have any problem, them call you and talk to you because you nah bring the punny arguments to them and them know that so them can reason with you or whatever, right? And then now you see them woman they know, and them woman they you make you teach you the things them what woman go on with and how woman think. I saw me learn the game, you know, me ever about 2 or 3 woman and thing with tan good, you know, when man ever rush, you know, with no game, you know. I mean, nah, look them in all. Sometimes the man says, so you never look me yet and try to get some answer from me yet. I say, me and you good man. In time I want front out the man. Me not spoil my thing with you. And now you are teach me the something with them. Yeah, man, me always have 2 children and say, yo, you know, say I be said to me, Ray, and this and that and whatever, but me don't know what. And then I say, yeah, idiot. Let me tell you what she up to. Boom, 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 boom. And I say, bomb, you know, say me never did that thing about that. Jano, man. Hey, let me flip it and tell you. You know, say, woman, always have about 2 or 3 man and whatever who them talk to them, no never sleep with a man, but them just bounce things off of a man if you understand what other man do.
Yeah.
You don't know that? Yeah, ask most women who you know out there, say, achoo, so you, it's a good thing for have like, you know, a couple man and thing who you talk to who you never do nothing with, but you just want to talk to them for know something. Most women are going to tell you, say, yeah, man, achoo, man.
Yeah, for real.
But listen now, men now, them not have the discipline to do that. Because most women will tell you, a lot of time, them just want to be a good friend with a man or whatever. And at some point, he might go spoil it, and, you know, look front from them or across the line and thing or whatever. And just mash up a thing. You understand?
Yeah.
So a lot of men have that discipline there. But yeah, man, right throughout my life, I learned that something there, man. I have about 2 or 3. You know, when I look at women who don't even know the road code, you know. You know, if them are your friend, them are just your friend. But you need 3 soldier man who want to idiot to man and whatever and know if they just carry on, man, and all them something there. And thing, and them teach you the things, them, man. You see what she just post, IrieJam, she post, Raga, you chat too much.
Yeah, because she knows I choose to talk and thing.
Cool, man. I tell you all the while, you know, nothing gonna rate me for something I reason out myself, you know. But nothing gonna rate me for. I don't know genius for my part. I don't know Raga genius. Is woman teach me. Woman teach me. Enough of them little thing that women know a woman teach me them something. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, but Raga, yeah, what going on, Raga? You know, say, I call you Monday gone, Zine.
Yeah.
All right, you know, say, pan a big man, Raga, God if I ever know. You know, say, Monday night, my dream about multi-talented.
Monday night, you dream about multi-talented?
Yeah.
What you dream about her, say?
All right, yeah, what going on, Raga? Because you know, say, pan a big man level, me if you beat her skin in a Raga.
What you mean?
Beat her skin, man, in another time, beat her.
No, me know Jamaican talk means sort her out, but how that come in?
Yeah, see?
But,
yeah, sort her out and thing.
But you don't know her. You don't know her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What you say?
You know multi-talented?
No, I don't know, but I mean, yeah, because me and Jim at that time, what people I mean, don't know, you know.
But you never see her yet, so how she did look when you dream her?
To me, she looks short, you know, she's short and thing.
Short and thing or whatever.
Short and, you know, she fear.
And fear skin. So hold on. You did shell her out?
Well, no, man. I go to know. You know, I know Saraga.
Yeah.
When that happen.
Yeah.
You jump out and sleep and thing.
You jump out of your sleep just when you did go do it to her?
Yeah.
So well on, the 200, you're multi-talented and naked?
Yeah.
So well on, and just as you go, what you mean? Just as you go in the living room, you jump up out of your sleep?
Yeah, Raga, you know, see, Raga, yesterday I don't eat anything. Stress out yesterday, brother. Stress out. I don't eat nothing yesterday, brother.
Why you stress out yesterday? Why?
No, come and say, yo, go make it a chance and thing. I'm just jump out of sleep because it to me more than once, you know.
So wait, you did vex, you jump out of your sleep?
Yeah.
All right, listen, we don't have much time left, you know, so we have to continue this Monday, you know, but let me tell you something now, all right? I want you to listen to me carefully, all right?
Yeah.
Nobody can tell us that them dreams of them dead. Nobody can tell it. Them dreams of them come out of them body and I look upon themselves dead, right? But it's still a state of consciousness outside of them body, right?
Yeah.
But nobody can ever tell us say them dreams of them dead, because you know what happened? When anybody who dreams of them dead, you know, them actually dead. Exactly, follow me, you know? Yeah. It is impossible for you to dream so you're dead, you know. Yeah. Further evidence is this. When people dream so them a jump off of one cliff or somebody I go stab them right now them heart, everybody jump up out of them sleep.
Yeah.
Everybody jump up out of them sleep. So the premise, the argument in the literature is that, and in the research is that, one, it is impossible for your dream say you're dead. And two, if your dream say you're go dead and you really go dead, you jump up out of your sleep. So if you follow my reasoning so far, me know you feel sad say you never saw it road, but me don't know, probably you did go dead. No, I'm joking. No, but outside of that though, a lot of people do, when them a dream say them a go sort out, and as them a go get it, them all wake up and them vex. So that has happened to a lot of people. That has happened. I want to tell you, do you know that it is possible, if you know what you do, and your dream say you sort out and thing, and just as you get it, you wake up. You know, say if you relax and allow yourself to drop asleep back, like right away, you can actually continue the dream.
Yeah, man. Know about
Did you know that? Yeah. It just has some people. I forgot to leave now because, you know, well, I 1 o'clock up here and at 10 o'clock down by one, 12 o'clock by one and thing. But it is interesting though that you know more. We have to continue this Monday because I want to know what can remember. You know, if you dream, that means you done in a REM sleep, you know, in your unconscious. So there is something about multi-talented where you imagine when you hear a talk that went into your unconscious, and it was so profound that you almost consummated, you know, in your dream, but you almost consummated a relationship with her sexually and things. So that is interesting. So we have to make a deep dive with this, no pun intended, and kind of figure out, you know, look a bit more why that is the case. So we're calling back Monday. Here, make sure you call back Monday, you know. All right?
Yeah, man. Please talk to you, you know.
Hey, man, man. Know yourself, man. All right? Big up yourself, man. But we have to let go now. All right, people. It was a fun show tonight. It was a fun show tonight, but it looked like only God can tell you him take it. Only God can take it. Only God can tell you take it with a sound. Let me tell you about a murder. People, big up on yourself. And remember now, when you go over YouTube, Ragashanti TV or YouTube, right? I want to support Ragashanti TV. And the way you can do so is when you're over there and you watch the show, them right under the thing, you're going to see something named join. You're going to see a thing named join. So I want you, my thing. So I want you to join Ragashanti TV and support the thing. We have 3 layers there, right? It's a sponsor, it's a well, it's members and thing. And do remember, say, October 5th, Saturday, October 5th, we have a members only party for Ragashanti TV. But all I want to who want to support the thing, who want to support Ragashanti, we want to join Ragashanti TV. So when you go over YouTube, at the bottom of the video, you're going to say join. You click join, and there is 3 layers right there. I encourage you to join either TamFam Platinum or TamFam Diamond and thing. And you have a monthly little thing on a pay and whatever and all these things. I have certain members only perks that you will be getting over there at Ragashanti TV. But it's my thing. So me appeal to forward another thing join the thing and we're going to build that and thing. All right. So we just want to come over and be a part of this thing. All right. Michian said, drink some water and go to bed. No, I'm going to edit that show. I'm going to go home now. I'm going to download this, edit the show, then upload it and things so I can get it. I'm on him. Hey, I know where I'm for work, you know. I mean, say work. No. See the thing. Say, take care of yourself, people. Kevin, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know, my general. I think only God can tell you. I don't know. We can't even make it sound. Everything is everything. Out the road, people. Soon Monday. Why?
Never wanna give this love to no one but you. Tell Bridge Jamaica, we love you. Bridge 99, we love you. Bridge 99 FM. Couldn't be better.